You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And as usual, I have to say thanks to everybody who has support, whether by a like, a share, a comment, whether by, sending like a financial this and that, and, what I mean, trust me, and, all of the support, where they're sending me a message in the morning, a shout me or a call me, what I mean, as a public one day thing, you're doing a good job, don't stop. I hear you, what I mean, and me really, really appreciate them things, them things that keep it going, what I mean, and I have to big up all the actors, them, I have to big up like, everybody who has played a part in this episode, Corrupt Anti episode 1 and 2, and yeah, me go drop episode 3, I mean, no want nobody I say, you see it again, him only drop 1 and 2 and he now finish and rate it, May is gonna be the day when I'm gonna sort out all the episode 3s. All right, so we know nobody come vex me, nobody come this, somebody come that. You know what I mean? Just understand what I'm going. The movement is, we have to keep, like the channel active. So that's why we have to drop episode 1 and 2 together. So you can find it and see it and know what I'm going. When we drop episode 3, we're gonna drop a trailer and all them something so you know what I'm going. So my best friend, we need to do episode 2. That is girl. We have enough work to do. So Mayday. You know what I mean? Yeah. So bless you for yourself, and as usual, thanks again for the support. I can't stop saying thanks because I want to make it, I can't disrespect, So watch now. This is episode 1 and 2 of Corrupt Anti. Ready? Ready? Let's go.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse. When the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, but when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you, to fix you. High up above or down below, and when you're too in love to let it go, but if you never try, then you'll never.
Shanice, what happened? Girl, what happened? Yeah, girl, from morning until she gonna shop and she married pan right so.
You know, say, from when I tell us, no.
You want to tell
say,
me?
auntie not giving no money when I have.
Which money that?
The money when I get from foreign.
Who tells you auntie I get money from foreign?
Girl, I see every minute auntie I buy new clothes and new slippers.
And I buy them sometime over Miss Jen, she go and Miss
How
Jen
can I
here.
call it an idiot?
Girl, auntie not get no money, she get money more than no.
Mama, I tell you, and I ask me, I ask you.
She not get no
so
money.
So I get so much new things from?
Miss Jen, I cannot understand. You know, auntie love walk and beg already.
I'm not begging my beg.
She don't have no money. Nobody not send no money. When last people
she
call
go to
me,
shop and she can't come back.
I must see her go there gamble for spending money.
A rum bar she gone near money, whole like money.
Why you think say she gone gamble for spending money and try to make more money?
I know that thing can do.
Oh, you know that?
Can I see her?
Which better for me see her?
You know say I have no sense.
Oh, you don't have no
and
sense.
I can't talk to you because
For
you're
man
not
you in a yard, so all you fi see her.
Why
Okay.
me know that? So why she I get so much new things from?
You know something love beg.
Me who my beg? Every day so you
Every
come in
day
with a new
beg.
bag. If I'm not Gucci, a Prada. If I'm not Prada, something new.
So say I will love it with town. I should have begged.
See? You know why you're not listen to me?
I'm not listen to you because I don't hear your foolishness.
Okay. Right now, I want to go there. So, wait. No auntie that day out of gate, they say they come.
But looking at she and too.
Rum. You see me?
Why? What go my nieces?
Auntie, where you come from?
Huh?
Where you come from?
Alright, here I go now. You know so type bar me stop this for me see.
See, no God. The same thing me say.
See what? God see everything. See what? Me say me stop out type bar, girl. I'm sit to my classmate them. I'm just take a little drink.
You take
buy
a little drink.
One frost.
You buy one from. So,
Yeah, cook.
auntie.
Eh?
You cook?
Oh God, I could ask that to make a thing me there so.
Where you go cook?
Me have one little 200 left in my pocket. Me have one little 200 left in my pocket. I buy one bully beef.
Auntie, what $200 can buy?
But you can't buy and bully beef na auntie, but give me. Me make you up and buy where to buy.
Auntie, you go on road, you go buy. What kind of Mr. drink?
Fever.
You know how much money for fever?
I beg, me beg.
You see? I don't know beg. Tap in eyes. I don't know beg, you beg you. I buy your time money what you get. You see you?
So what your
Auntie,
problem? What the problem?
Give me
So
money
me
when
not
we
in
go
a
make
bully
up so
beef.
me
Me
can
don't
go.
want a bully beef.
How you want?
In money, here I go now. Trust your shop.
Chicken.
Me
Yeah.
pay for it.
Trust?
So that means you don't have it $200 then auntie.
Listen now, it
Where
told you,
$200?
if they want to me can't go down in the feet. They want the people then say, go and go trust it. Trust it. Tell them say,
Auntie, you don't
tell
have
them
the
say
money.
currency, percent, one bully beef and 2 pound of rice, $50 ketchup, one all-purpose. No, a bully beef is too salt. You know, one all-purpose. One onion, one little tomato, and one scotch bonnet pepper. Tell them, Mr. and one black pepper and $50 aisle. So what?
So juice.
Auntie, you know, say.
But I get one time,
Be
you
a
know, go
craving,
to
you
bed.
put the money in a be a rum. From morning you left for you, gone a rum bar. Acha.
I hope the fever that they give you cold. Come in, let me come go shop
Come
and
on.
go chop for chop.
I know you not like me. You look maga one. But I'm your favor here.
I have to go to her because she don't like me and me don't like one bonus.
Alright, time back to me. Come. Good evening.
Even.
I know say my auntie send me down here to come take something. She
Where your
said,
auntie again?
you know my auntie the brown girl. And
So
she
much brown
magazine.
girl in Alien.
You don't know junkin Karen man, my auntie.
Hey, that the Karen did not get no up to trust her this a shop here. She just left from up here so drink fever and no come down the rank up.
Yeah.
And not even she buy ya, our man buy give her.
Yeah,
Hello, tell her go back to your
Before he take the man money and come buy some cookie for it, he take the man money by fever.
I am not trusting me, very sorry.
So
Yeah, want that fear bill high and he
he
can't pay me.
We want bull beef and 2 pound of rice. I want onion, tomato, black pepper,
Right now,
and scotch bonnet pepper.
the only thing me can give you right now are the canned beef.
They can't give you rice.
I can't beef and not go feed for the time. I not have it.
Rice I can't give you.
It's like you don't understand, so your bill high. I don't know how much
give
you
me
want
the
canned beef.
Let me go down. Cause you want a wicked woman.
Me wicked.
Yes, you're
You
wicked.
know, come out of the shop. You're not bother get it. Come out. You are your jing bang. Come on.
Jing bang they are.
Come on.
People look good.
Go on. Come out of the place.
So let me sit here
Right.
and embarrass
Right.
you. Come on.
If I'm me, if you trust all that, the woman there again, he might go dead if you're hungry. Me never yet can call this man and get him. Yes, I'm glad you answer, Mr. Barrister. Look how long you say you come pay the bill. And I'll no me no see I'll no Monday can come yet. What? Hello? Your relative them just left my place, but they want canned beef and rice. After this stack of things they take, and the auntie just left from up here, not too long, I drink rum. Tell me how the part they go. Hello, a business me I run. You see, when me forget my money, and my money me supposed to forget. Me no want hear say this and that, because when you come at me shop, me no tell you say, oh, come back tomorrow. Me give you the same time. So when you give me a deadline, me supposed to forget it that exact day. What? Hello, you need to go look work. Because when you come and take my things them, how you expect me to survive when me not make no money out of my shop? And my shop me live off I know. What you mean? What? Hey, nobody make me have to, hey. Me lodge a report already, you know. I'm gonna make police pop up on the yard. What you mean? Me not feel bother with that. You see, hey. Today when? Today on Monday. Me I give you until, me not even gonna give you until weekend. Me I give you until Wednesday. You see, if me not get me money by Wednesday, a problem. Oh, you go see. A problem. Just mark my word. And the police alone go come. And me and the police are gonna come. Because I go direct them upon the day. You don't forget lock up, man. You don't forget tap you, man. A thief, that you know. You want me and I lie. Hey, no wait here. I'm money me I deal without you, so. I forget what to go somewhere else. As I was saying, hey, me I can't deal with my customer. What's on the phone? Can you irritate me right now? Alright, bye. What you say I want? It take so long for
Auntie, you might not give you nothing, you know. You might not chat about your bill higher and you not giving up to come out and shop on the day. You want to hear man up there deal with me most set of ways just because of you. If I never did that go, we go trust out you money. But if you might say a bill high, so.
So what on there? She chat me?
Yes.
What she say about me?
She say your bill high, so we not get nothing to trust.
And we hear say I demand by your FIFA.
The fever.
Mama no FIFA, a fever.
What if I want you?
So you say woman angle and triangle no?
Yeah,
My two niece them.
Yeah,
she angle and triangle.
And up to a one.
A one. Hello.
Sure.
I say for a longer time, me tell her say I'm me alone and more for, but you never have more. Why don't you grab your woman? That's how me groom you.
Could grab the woman, the woman did that.
Yeah, what make you
Why
never
never
grab
The
the
woman
woman?
never stop her shop with me.
Listen to me, shut
She
up
never
now.
run out of shop.
Shut up! Silence!
Auntie, when you talk to me, you have to turn down your volume.
Silence! Says who?
Says
When you
me.
forgot to say I'm gonna take it crazy this off, listen to me, you know, my nieces, you know. Let me tell you, so when you go out and make some girl style and slap girl in their face, brawling, how and I trust or not trust. When you hear me, I tell you now, because I understand this little midget girl.
Pity tail.
You say you're ugly,
Me
eh?
say.
And you say you look.
Me wonder if I remember me.
Not even dog no one them when he dead. You say you look. Let me tell you, you know. Yes, you know what?
I remember me cat there something.
Problem they want always. What me say they want? Problem always.
So we are go.
Tell me something, man. Nobody no mess with my people them. Much less me. Go show no darkness.
Then should I come back with some PE?
Yo, Barry. How am you? You drink too much rum. Me not tell you if you tap drink rum, Barry. Yo, you know say it's not easy. Rum I go kill you, know? You fit tappy.
Rum have to kill me.
Yo,
Because the girl, you know,
Come
I
and chat to me. Another one.
Yeah.
You not get the girl thing up, sir. You not get the girl up by bar.
Yo, that girl over by, she does depend every time she want box food, bro.
Barry, yes,
Me
you
a
know.
trust I shop, when me go money box food money.
Barry.
Me a trust I shop already and me can't find money for pay.
Barry, you see what me I go say to you? Me nah go say it until you say me sorry. Me a gear the argument raw and with no apology. You see, you know, Barry, you're too slow. And that with you now. You know no speed for the girl. You need to watch need for speed. Listen, me
You
now.
want race then?
No, watch you, man.
You want race?
Watch you, man. Listen. You see, since you work like you don't want her. Barry, me get her then, Barry. I will see who can get her, Barry. But I chat to her. Barry, them the girl love money. You see them the girl, you see if you not know money, you can't talk to them. And me and you know say that. Me no say none, Barry. So you see when you go for them
So
bar
you
there.
not feel low. Where you feel low that the part?
No, because you're too stupid. And all along you look at girl and you not get her. I know me fed up on me. So me have to tell her to make you feel away. So when you go back in next time you know so you put in more effort. Barry, when you go up there, you need to go up there with some cutter. If I ever cut up some paper in your pocket. Because then the girl love money. If you don't have money, you not get them.
The girl one day we go out there, right? She asked me for 4 grand. Me I come on for a side up. A 4 grand we make. Oh, if you take up my 4 grand gear, when I want to drink, we come more. I enjoy myself.
Alright, bye. Watch her now. Watch her. Give me her.
Oh, I go gear, I'm the guitar yet.
Barry, give me the girl, because you don't have no money, Barry. Give me the girl, man.
No work tomorrow, me I deal with me, I line up something for you. You have money?
You know me, I'm a 10 cent.
Alright, give me a money then.
Give her money if you want.
You can go ahead.
No, but I know you're a woman, so you tell me something to give her money. If I did fear now,
No,
I sell her.
No, remember say me and her.
You didn't even own her and you want to sell her.
Remember say me and her close already. So if you come round our bar, you can't just say yo.
No. You have papers for her. You have papers. Remember when you sell people things, you have papers in there. If you sell more and carry, you have to give me papers in there. You have papers for her.
No, man.
Barry, makes sense. You don't drink some rum? You're drunk. I said then set us up.
You know what you set me up? Stop car every day you not want to me in a room. You know burn cigarette. You see me I tell you say you set this up. Me like drink rum.
Barry, but
Rum calm down my heart level. That's calm. When me drink my rum, me come like say me gone in space.
a whole heap of man, me see up by shop. And me see them a get through. And me not see you get through. Eh?
No, slow
as long as you're driving a KFC line, Barry.
better than no progress at all. That you have to always remember. Me rather go slow than not go at all.
Aye. Look past Sabrina other day. When me pass down a cash pot shop. And Sabrina will never want me. We are telling me my belly big. And look now. When she find out some money big. At the same night she lay down in my bed. Look past
But
that.
the other week she find out take me.
What?
Take mine. You don't worry about that. You know me and Sabrina.
I don't worry, sir. Me go take you one from you up a bar. Because you move too slow. You come like a turtle. Me I go back on the road. Look about it. Me I go back on. Look about it.
Alright.
Look about
Since
it.
you attack it, me I go borrow money and go up there. So we shall see. Go buy her.
Nice sweetheart. I must say, I don't like how you're dealing with me. You know how long me always come here and try to get in touch with you, but I don't know where you're applying.
What that's supposed to mean?
I tell you one strong love for you for a long time.
I think love just comes up.
Mama, I love you from before you even have a shop. This I love you when I have fear. Now run out of stock like you could for me. You know me and my 10 cents.
You think me know say you want to marry a friend? I mean, take this thing back. You want if this thing and you get the thing, you go to that kill this girl. We don't want you.
What is what?
sure that's a part.
Barry,
Watch you know, man.
Barry, you owe money? How much money Barry you owe? Yo, Barry, you fit tap go a road and go on like you have money in your pocket and you just a shopping. How much I'm bill? Tell me clear it.
4 grand.
4 grand.
You clearing bill?
Yo, I'm give you 5. Cause right now I'm there on 5 I.
Alright.
All this. Barry, you
Respect.
think I feel large out there in the
Respect.
street. Here, Barry.
Yeah, give me money.
Watch you know, man.
Give me money. That's you know. Respect here.
Watch you know, man.
Make sure that you lend me to that.
Hey, Barry, you see how him over the start going like him a mish? I want him, me have to tell you, you know. Me a independent girl, me no walk and sponge pan nobody.
One thing I want to know is my bill clear now. That's the only thing I want to know.
I know, but no come back up shop called trust you, come and I trust you. And
go
tell
on.
a relative them say, they not hey, no better make me load up. Tell a relative them say they not come back up shop, come and I go give them nothing. Unless they had their money, and money me I deal with.
You know, say everybody go through hard time.
You ever go through hard time and what about your life, so?
Listen, man.
You sound like you're dead. You gonna take it wrong, man.
No,
They almost kill you.
I run me a drink, I want party near must illegal or whatever. One night,
That no concern me. Go tell a woman that. Where you really actually come here so far?
Me tell everyone when to me not have no woman.
Where you come here so far? You waste my time. Your bill pay. You can't go on now.
We can't build around.
For what?
I'm particularly when you're lucky shop.
For why?
I'm strong.
Where?
Anybody come
You're strong and you sound like you're dead.
You never hear about Barry. You never hear
Go push
about
a wheelbarrow, man. Go on, man.
You know what I'm saying? Nowadays, some man, I drive one little car come pick you up. Yeah, this me now. When I'm me used to there with you. Yeah, this
Why you watch me business for you not step your spoil?
When me I put up the zinc.
Hey, put up what? Hey.
You never like this, Barry. But now what's on man I pick you up in a car. I don't know if why am I give you or what? But you get rank with me. You know, but it's alright.
You don't talk. You finish.
It is alright.
One years, man, your bill pay, you can't go and me, I'll get
You're
extra.
gonna sour you. Watch. Remember, say me tell you.
I know you me want to sour me, though. One, man.
Although my voice gonna remember, say me, Barry, tell you.
You can't chat, you know, but you're not going to be with your prime minister. One, man.
Alright.
No, what the hell me I do? What me I do with you? Me glad the bill paid.
Wagwan no Karen. Wagwan.
You know, so I like a style when I call you supposed to answer in a Barry do.
Karen, when up on the road, what you want me to do?
Anyways, no, you want to hear Wagwan? Listen, me too.
Oi. I open the mask here, yeah, beating the cat to me, you know.
Listen to me, Barry, just stop before you stop by a serious thing I go on right now. Me send me two niece them over Amanda shop to go trust something.
Who for shop?
Girl go over Amanda shop. And the girl go make me niece they know say, oh, she not trust this a woman you not and me not be send back me niece them to go and trust nothing. Tell me now, is this right?
Boy, me I tell you. So,
Barry,
you send them go Amanda shop. That is it. Karen, talk to me no man, yeah, break up.
Mr. Barry, me send them go over Amanda shop to go trust where you not hear I'm just open up me.
Listen me no man. Listen me no. Me the oil bill down there.
Jesus Christ, Barry, not tell me say. Not tell me.
Yeah, see why me don't talk no. Me don't talk no. I owe $11,000. And to them I make a money and I just go down there and dash that in their face and play my bill. You see me? Cause you know me stay already. Me no go around people, me pay my bill them. Anytime I come on, when me trust, me go pay my bill. You understand? Because them go around and talk to me, oh this and oh that. So I go around there and say, how much more you? And count out my money and throw your right account and say, mark out my name. No. So,
Barry, me know you stay. Me not wait to sit with them bill so long and until they feel like they want to come stand. Me tell you, Barry, I tell you right now, me I go back here like no car, you know, well in it.
yeah, go over there now.
Tell me, show me a drip, me look special, and burn me look frost on girl feel like they can stand me over there. Me I go no, me I got
Here where you do.
time.
Here where you do now. You good on, man. You good on there. Just drink anything you want. Here.
Drink anything you want, Barry.
Yeah.
You know, make them come kill me before time here, Barry.
Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Karen, me your brother. And you know me not lie when it come on to certain things. Just go down there and tell them, so Barry say, drink anything, me so come pay for that.
Alright, risk.
Yeah, let's go and drink some beer. Me soon circle.
Barry, me have something for you tonight,
You have a cat for me?
She's getting me a face, so I know, and this one look clear.
Me tell you already, stop look me. Me and your family, stop look me.
I do what me I make with you, Barry. I do.
Stop doing something, man.
Barry,
You
me have
know
a
it.
nice brownie for you, Barry, but you are going now. You have to pay for your service. Because so you get the cat, so you get the kitty, and so you have to give me some good discount when I don't talk.
You see now? You see now? You see me every day. Just go down there now and drink anything. Tell them to Barry say you just drink anything. Me circle you. Yeah, me I go put on some clothes and something.
Barry, me your sister and brother, you know you still in love, trust the people them things, but I don't want to trust
Listen to me now, man.
I don't like you drunk.
Me pay my bill.
Love you.
Alright, big up yourself. Go lay down sleep, boy.
Ella! I need to understand what go on.
Awa,
Why you look for me so far?
is what?
Janko dead for me?
I
Like a
can't try to
dopey?
figure out.
Like a dopey?
I try to figure out
Eh?
why you come.
Why you get a dopey? You say dopey are
Girl.
pretty. I want to know what go on. Why
What
you
go
dealing
on?
with me niece them so today?
Oh.
Hey, dirty girl, let me tell you something, you know. Let me tell you something, dirty girl. You see how Barry come pay and bill today? You can't give me no chat.
Hey, pause.
You can't give me no chat.
Pause, and a Barry paying bill, girl.
I will pay bill.
Oh.
I will pay bill.
Barry don't have dry shit in her ass.
So I will pay bill.
Right.
Who pay bill?
I'm friend paying bill.
Girl, stop trying to tell life on my brother. John Crow, stop trying to tell life on my brother.
Where come
Crow
from?
beard, stop trying to tell
You
life on my
just
brother.
go interrupt me eating. What is wrong with you?
So which part of the food I go?
Now worry yourself.
Which part of the food I go? Which part of the
You're
food I
blind.
go? Jesus.
Are you blind?
Lord
You're
God.
blind? Okay, where really actually come suffer?
Where food I go? No, listen to me now. I'm telling you, I see them come for. So go feed them now and put them here so. Yes, so.
Hello, you
Yes, so me
see,
want
if
them.
you know why, the only reason why me gonna give them are because I bill pay. You see, if you never pay, you couldn't come here, so come run off your mouth.
Anything Barry say goes. Go
Oh,
feed some of them, put it here so.
Anything you say,
Anything Barry say goes. Go feed them and put them here so. I don't know talking girl, because bad girl do the funny talking thing. Go on for the things them, right?
you come here, so beg, and you come with bad
Put
news.
them here so.
Beg, you come here, so beg, you know.
Beggars have no choice, but me have choice.
Beg, you come here, so beg.
They say beggars have no
Imagine.
choice, but me have choice to them. Boy!
One day,
Appropriate.
one day, when you come on my shop, you go dead if you're hungry.
Dead if you
You
hungry.
never eat a food in your
I
yard.
rebuke your mouth.
Sir.
I rebuke your mouth. I rebuke your mouth, drunk girl. Boy, you come and style me niece, them outside I eat.
Come, see this thing here, come take
Put
it.
it here, so. Yes, so. Come in down with it. Come back there, so. Put it here, so. Up, sir, no fear time it.
What your problem?
What do you mean by one problem?
Why your issue?
Girl,
You
talk,
get
but
your grocery
Oi,
them one in
make
your
a stick
yard.
touching on my face, no. Shut,
Like-
but don't make a, hey, girl. Don't make a sour
What
spit catching on my
is
face,
your
no.
problem?
Me say, you hear me say, don't make a sour spit catching on my face.
Hey, man,
Me
I
no
long
know
talking with you, you know. What do
Me
you?
no know what do you know? Mister, me no know what do you. From other day, you
What you
smell
see
and
do
look
me?
dirty, say, me no know what do you know.
What you see do me?
Me no understand it.
What you see do me?
Girl, listen to me. You see, if I never go in there so and carry out there, so me a come, me show you what this a rum drinking girl and make out of here.
Hey,
And that me make you know here.
hey,
Come on.
hey.
You want to
Hey.
say something, I tell me if you come go and me I go, you see what
I got
go on.
something if you do.
Eh? But you know, so me not move. Alright.
You not
Push
fi
me,
move, you know.
Manda.
You not fi move.
Push
You
me,
can't
Manda.
stand up yourself. Me
Push
gonna
me,
finish
Manda.
eating my chicken. You
Push me,
alright?
Manda. You know, to see you my chicken, the favorite chicken. Girl, come kick. Hey.
Hey.
Girl.
Come.
What?
Come go your yard.
Touch me. How do this girl? Watch out.
Hey, me wet you up, you know. Come go your yard. Come go your yard. Come go your yard.
Wet me up.
You know, go your yard.
Wet me up.
Awa.
Wet me up.
I felt to cover something.
No, Mr. Wet me up, Amanda. Wet me up.
Hey! Oh, no, see me dying trial. Hey, come go your yard.
Wet me up, Amanda. Make her get the bust up your face, girl. Wet me up.
You think my friend? You think my
Wet
friend?
me up. Mr. Wet me up.
You think my friend? Come. You see,
Wet me
two
up.
me now want police
Mr.
come
Wet
call
me
lock
up.
down my
Which
shop.
police?
Come go your
Hey,
yard.
girl, if I hear about me, police afraid of me. Brighty.
Oh, make your man. Are you whosoever him be? Never pay him bill.
Watch a
You
girl.
know, you see.
Whoa.
Why man you have a corn beef? Cause that's all you feed on corn beef. That's why you're red like it.
Look at girl. Hey.
Hey, me not
Never
time for
hear
you.
about Camille.
Me not time for you. Go on your
You
way.
never hear about Camille. Camille clean her body, girl. Her body need purge. Kiss me.
Feel more needy. Cause you're maga.
Oh.
Jesus, you're a
Oh.
man.
Girl, I seen this around the place. Your body now say rrr. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. Hello! Hello!
How much excitement for?
Remember what the excitement for? Let me tell you something, you know. I see anything me says goes. So you see, oh, me go over there and I say, Mama, put on what me forget now. Cause Barry clearing bill, you know. Barry clearing bill. So me don't know what some girl feel like.
Auntie,
So,
me can't take it talking. Me hungry. You see, hungriness put me to sleep. I get you something then?
alright.
Me say Barry pay bill. Uncle Barry get money from pay bill.
Yeah, Uncle Barry get money to pay bill. You know, Uncle Barry. Barry have his money, you know.
Where you get it from?
Even though we know him a
Thief in my
thief.
teeth. Same thing.
See, you cannot even though we know him a thief. And he have his friend the way a par with him. I wonder if my friend pay him
Look
bill.
for the time.
Yeah, me
And
know.
you left from 450.
Yeah, me
And
know.
now it's 756.
So what you go do?
Eh?
And you say as you go up there, go say run the thing you get it. Go and go cook. Me need to hear your story.
Me go they got this girl phone. Me go they got this girl
No,
phone.
this girl for you, this girl for yourself. Go
So how would I get this?
just go cook your food.
Cause
Just
Barry
that
pay a
Friday.
bill. That's how come they could have get it. Cause Barry pay a bill. And Barry never pay a bill. Me know the woman.
Uncle Barry pay that time in there. I didn't do a tea people. I'm done back.
That's true.
God.
Me agree with you, that's true. I cook your food
Yeah,
for you.
cook your food.
You want pepper in there?
Yes.
I'm
Alright.
sure it's sweet.
Alright.
Wait, when I done.
All I like is stove again.
What do you hear?
Then you can't cook if you can't like
No,
it.
me can't see so good. Call one of the call light is
Auntie,
stove.
lower the stove.
Huh?
Yeah, well, me alright. Me drink the water and go sleep. Me make some.
Auntie, turn
Alright, I know.
on the light.
Alright.
Look here.
And you go back and run.
You know, I could give food.
Hey, Mr. One no call light is stove coming out. See so good say I rum.
So go on back and run. Go on back and run. No space for the affair right now. You irritate me right now.
I might put out the two on the bonus space today for me.
You
Auntie, what's the auntie like the stove? Auntie, see the stove light. The stove
Remember
light.
when Jennifer did say if you come out and me beg her for your tan in here. Oh,
Auntie, the stove light. Let's
put me out and see. It's true I wish I out and do all Uncle Barry never put out.
Auntie, cook the food. Auntie, cook the food.
Nobody want your
Me
food.
hungry,
Just
man.
I don't like this house. I'm not have to light here for your
Here I go now. I catch you all the way I find up tonight.
Catch
long
who?
there. No, long there. Show you something. call Jacko. No. I wouldn't two little dirty girl, man. For me send them a shop and all, and just walk out so. You know what? Let me call Jacko woman first. I'm a waste of time. Boy, I want things to get take long for answer in phone, so I don't like his style, you know. Marika! Where you going with? Boy, I don't know what really are going with me, my girl, but where are they? Me need to talk to you about some personal stuff, so right now more you can check me, God know. Girl, me just don't know what really are going on with me right now. Things just Marika, just go and check me. Me don't run on my yard. Please, me I beg you, I need to talk to you. I'm gonna take too long. Eh? Oh, okay. So, I will jack on him there. Alright, just forward. Why? I thought you and Jack start killing with bun.
Good evening.
Wagwan.
There,
There, man.
So, where did I say important now?
You know what I say in a real life.
Well, Andy, I was telling on a room.
I see this a little honey, but it only not strong enough for clear up my stomach because it weather change.
Oh.
Hey, Mr. Moxon.
Yeah.
No, girl, rum. No, sir.
Hush, man. Come in, say you're not a rum drinker and then sit there. Hush.
Anyways, no. You know, say, me I come from far, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Jacko. What is really wrong with Jacko?
What do you mean?
Listen to me now. Remember saying no? Jacko left 2 greyback girls for me. And none of the 2 of them have no manners. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. Jacko send money, no get me wrong. But Jacko not send enough money to feed them.
What?
Yes! But listen up. Jacko I send 10,000 for a week. 10,000 can mind the 2 little girl them.
But
I hear what go on. The 2 little girl them want essential things, right? They want roll-on, they want perfume, they want pads, they want they look stuff there, right?
Yeah.
Lotion and them something there.
But in terms of
Shave and them something there. Good amount of money. So by the time I buy them sitting there, how much I think it come to?
More than 10,000.
Okay, and then the food not add on to it. And the 2 little giant girl they not have no manners.
No, man.
And I could have never meet her until they take care of her because I have pride, dignity, and standards. So
of course, because I know so you're a hard-working woman. I don't know if you as a bad person and there's something there.
Thank you, Mrs. Stella. So, all Jacko financing enough money come and me have to take care of myself.
Me have to go talk to him because I don't understand what really
happened. Mr. Marika, little girl they can name. One time I wonder if they want to name me too, and I can't name because I pay a bone this, I have no flesh for them to name me.
So then terrible?
Yes, and Last night, now me tell them, say, listen, me go cook bully beef and white rice. But the money ain't really there.
Yeah.
You understand? Because Jacko him know. Me no understand what kind of two responsibility he left for me and me make three. Jacko nah the right thing. So me send the two little girl them say fi go trust. One bully beef, 2 pound of rice.
Yeah, trust.
Little aisle, little. I may show you how things gone bad for me. Jacko, you have to go down. If me catch a Jacko, me go deal with the case because
But me never know say
Jacko,
all of this a go on. Because in time me say send good amount of money to you. Me never know say a $10,000, but in time me say a 13 cents to you. So me I forgot to talk to him because me can't believe saying lie to me. Really?
girl, if you only know how Jacko lie, you're along with him. Jacko is a liar man. And then people are complaining about oh, me and Jacko favor. Which part of me and Jacko favor, eh? Which part of me and that little dirty man favor? Me and the little dirty man no favor. Anytime I walk around and people say, well, my brother, I'm going this one him. I'm going to ask, say, who is my brother, which brother I'm talking about? Because the last time I checked, the one that I love, they overseas. And I him take care of me. Jacko take care of me.
Alright, it's alright. Probably something go wrong because the 13 cents probably send off or something. But me believe you still. Me believe you.
But alright.
Yeah,
you believe me, alright, right? Yeah. If Jacko say send 30, it would do so bad.
Yeah.
But Jacko send same. And Jacko not take care of his sister. Jacko not say, one little 15,000 and get yourself some little things like do be a hard work.
15,000 for you?
Yeah.
No, me not say, but you know work.
That no matter me no work at time. Remember say no? It two little face girl let me know. Then two little black girl in the car. Me no understand all Jacko brown and them black. Listen, me brown and Jacko brown and them woman are black.
Remember say enough for Jacko Pitney then.
No.
And responsibility.
Yeah, but I feel him them. From him take up responsibility, I feel him. Because at him, they call daddy.
Yeah, but
you understand?
Complexion in it now because I don't feel them. So
well, Jacko fit tell the people them say responsibility take up. Anyways, no, I'm tired of it. If Jacko now go stand like a man and send more money, come give me.
Alright.
Go put out there and two little girls because they don't have no manners. They don't have no manners. Last time I tell them, I'm going to catch a place of fire with me and them.
No,
because here we go on. I tell them to come light this stove for me. Because really and truly, I need a piece of wood. So I say, come light this stove for me. I could have dropped down over this stove. You hear them all tell me, say, Auntie, you can't cook. You can't cook. Where you come from and I face themselves with me. So I tell them to come pump up your house with me and them. So listen to me now. Just talk to your man. Tell me, say, if you can send at least $50,000 for your month.
How much? 50,000, why you send 50,000 to you? That not fair.
Girl.
You better you said 30.
30 way.
Or 25.
30 way.
50,000.
You put my money on it? Me say if you put my money on it, you call my money on it?
Remember say a big girl them, you know. A big girl them, so what you talk about?
Alright. Me go take out back every money when me spend. And Jacko have to go pay back.
Alright,
so you see every money when me pay for roll jars and clothes, he ma go pay back. Because here we go now. And I like say me not do, you know.
Alright, guess
me not do what I want good at. Me do what I want good at.
Check up everything and you can send it to me.
By the time I check, Jacko have to pay me $1 million.
Send it to me,
sure.
not Jacko.
Yeah.
Send it to me. Okay? When me go talk to Jacko and hear what you have to say because I don't understand what really are going on. So.
You don't understand Jacko is a wicked man.
Me can't believe so Jacko tell me like and he tell me saying send that the amount of money there. But anyway, me see you later here. Me talk to Jacko.
And tell him to come control him mongrel them coming know where they gone.
Alright, me tell him to contact to them. So have a wonderful day.
If them are the Chihuahua and Pitbull lag you do so bad, but them a mongrel, tell me come control him mongrel them. Later me girl.
Alright, later.
But like him man even not spend for you neither. You know so Jacko a wicked man. Jacko yes you send $30,000. But Jacko you know we send more than $30,000. What is this? Jacko you have to go down today. When me done scandal and name of me brother and sister, you have to go down. Nonsense.
I want now.
You want to give me a heart attack? You
What?
want to give me a heart attack?
Me there so sit down, come figure one get attack or what?
You two look up in them with your sister, look, boy. Who for them? Eh?
Why we go back over this again?
Your sister called me today. Say me must come up her yard.
For my sister call you.
Yes. She called me. And me go up there and I pity them and tell me about say they not even look like you and something, they look like jacket and something. And me I said to her, I said, why she has said that and the pity them and not for you? Eh? Who for the pity them?
Alright, calm down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. How you feel now?
I can't believe that you pick me and tell me why you do this to me.
Listen to me. Relax. I don't have no pitney.
So why your sister?
I have people I am responsible to take care of. It's just simple as that. And we don't know how my sister fear tell her all these things that make you Jesus and pity must. What can really go so? Alright, listen. What you call it and tell us and calm down. Inhale, exhale. You want me go for the pump?
Yeah, go for the pump. No. Talk to me first. Let her go for the pump. What you say now?
What my sister tell you say? Just give me the direct details. Cause that the girl, I don't know what is her problem. I don't know why she don't really even say something I think for bring you down to this level. She don't understand. See, you're short of heartish. Eh?
Listen, your sister called me and said she want to talk to me. Emergency. If you hurry up, come over here. When me go over your sister yard, your sister go say to me, say, you not give her no money or give her 10,000.
Huh?
So me remember, say, you tell me say you send her $30,000 fee, 2 pitney them, right? She say I tend to send her and they not give her no money for herself. You have to give her at least $15,000 for herself. You pitney them one roll on, then one pad, then one all type of panty, everything.
Alright.
And she even say I feel pitney them.
She said, no, don't believe her. You know, say I had go and come. Remember, say we uncle when kind of sick in her head, you know, walk a street or damn out a garbage bin and them something there. I hold him and give him to a bad injection and calm him down. And when I hold him and bathe him, he went sick extra. And then after that, then send him go foreign. And then pump 2 more injections on him and him seem like he alright.
You sure?
So why me I tell you like?
Remember, me have heart problem.
Relax, man, calm down now. Calm.
Take me like this. Because me and come and me nearly drop down on the road, you know.
So I leave her. So I. God, Jesus. So you leave her and say if you inhale. Inhale.
Alright, me calm down now.
Put it on your back. Put it here, sir.
Jesus.
How you feel now?
I feel good.
You will take out a little heat out of you. You feel much better?
Yeah, me feel better. What you say happen now?
What me I say is this. You can't make for me dirty sister change your mind and make you feel like say all of me I tell you I know so you go.
Come on, say make all of this happen to me.
Lord of mercy. I never say it out of my mouth. I never say it this time, so you can't cuss me tonight and say I'm when say it. I know me say you can't have pitney in your barren. I know me. You understand? So left you alone. And top go on so. You see it? Now me have to go good on there now and talk to her. And ask her why she's trying to kill you off. And you know me too little daughter. Lord. No, man, me take them for my daughter. No. Me take them No, me take them for my daughter. Me take them for my daughter. Me two little girl them. Me go back for leave. Me go pick next leave. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Alright. And put you on the back. How you feel? Feel much better?
Yes.
Alright.
What's happening now?
Listen, in life you have to understand there are circumstances and there are situations, right? Now, in this circumstance, I basically take the responsibility of taking care of these two little kids. You know, see, they don't look like me. You know, see, say, oh, them black like a tar. And the one named Riri, film head look like a ants. I know, I mean look like a ants.
But they're not good quality.
Me look like a ants. And me never talk about hair, me say quality skin.
But you're black and I like you're brown.
No, but them, you see this one named black and this one named brown. Black, but it's not about the skin, it's the color. Listen to me, I say, understand me, I say, and stop me to talk things I mean. I am saying to you that we're different. You understand me, I say? So stop going with this thing, man. Me there, I'm cook your favorite food, shrimp and rice. Eh? With corn on the side. I'm cut up a country pepper them right neat for you. You understand me? I say? Because I say doctor say more pepper you get, it better for your heart. You understand? So me have it secure. So me know why you come here and I think about this. I gonna go down there, I go talk to hey, I might go to prison for that girl tonight, you know.
No, just relax.
But me no want she do this to you.
But they send her money?
What you mean? How much she send me I'm sending her?
$10,000.
50, 10, well?
10,000. She said I must give her 15 for herself and some things not add up yet and something. At least she want 160 a month.
Alright, listen to me, I say. You take your time and go along in. Pick up 12 leaf them and put right on your pillow. You understand? And then later we talk. Alright? Alright, honey?
Yeah.
I want one thing with you. I love the facts, you know, do you hear? And, you know, you're a natural empress. That I think me like. And you know, rub your skin now rub on it sitting there. You understand? And, you know, and you know, inject your lip on it sitting there. Me like that something, man. Natural. So me I say, just go on in and relax yourself, man. Alright? But if you shave your arm, and your hand if you shave, me tell you where something already. I'm not tell you where else to shave. Because it'll cut me up. You understand?
Yeah.
And enough time I have to go to doctor for doctor, and doctor wonder what I'm going. I have to tell him say I fight. And yeah, I tell him if I fight, I fight. I zip. Me have to make up some excuse and something. Go and go eat the food now. Where you make your food get cold?
Alright, I'm going. Make sure you say good on your sister and go talk to your
Me
sister.
go talk to her, man. And as me say, don't bother about them two little girls. Alright? Just take time and go and don't make your food get cold, man.
Alright, and sometimes I can make them come up and come and spend a little time too.
Them?
You know? Yeah, wrong.
We know how it go already. And you and them just can't agree, and we know that already. You understand? I am doing the best I can because I don't want them mash up what we have. And what we have is special. You understand? No cream crackers. And life sweet!
Come give me a hug and go.
Alright. But you have to eye your hair. Your hair because it get a little bit too
Alright.
too cautious. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh God, listen, don't you mongrel. Matter of fact, I'll go down.
Now say a word, man. Me and my friend Barry are going shell down over there.
Hello.
Aye.
Hello.
We are dealing with now. You can't tell me say auntie send it to me, you know, because me auntie in a business, you know.
Hello, you get me number off a TikTok and you don't stop text me phone. Me need to tap text me phone cause
Take time talk. You can't do that. Remember say you're young, man, I want nobody
who
here
young?
talk, so you know.
Me pass is a consent, me dear.
Aye, here what about what you
Anyways,
say?
me say why you text me phone? Me don't want to waste man in my life, no.
What, gentleman? What you mean waste, man?
I don't want
Mama,
no
listen me. You see my thing large.
Me never ask
My-
anything large.
No, listen me, I say no. You feel like say a barry clear off bill. How me clear off the bill down a shop where your auntie can name food, you know?
Are you clear?
What, gentleman? I know where you going like you can style me, you know. You how much?
Me 19.
So now that you have to tell me how long. Listen to me, I tell you. If you from me there, me take my money and give you. What, gentleman? Hold on. What? Gentleman.
So give me one of this.
So 4,000 there. Just buy yourself a beer. At a chum change. Actually, me not hold it for cash in my pocket. Me have to go and machine.
So you say, yeah.
No, me not hold it for cash in my pocket and I have to go and machine. So you see next time I see you, see all this hairstyle, you need to pull it out. You see anything you want down at shop, just go down there and tell them, say, me, Willie, send you down there. Just create a bill down there and me pay your feet. My name big down there.
Me not deal with more talk or action me deal with.
So what me just do a while ago?
That's a little bit of money that can't help me.
No, but me I tell you say, actually me
I
have to
tell
go
you,
and
I tell
machine.
me. You're not showing
No,
me no
listen.
action.
Me can't give you my card, mama. Anything
So give me
you
now,
want,
no?
you get it.
I don't want it.
Me I go pay for something down here.
You're too lie.
Check you. No, me I pay for something down here so for you and me come back and check you. But just think me. Oh, hold on, come. Your TikTok me have you know, just
Me take it.
put your number in it. Me no take them the trust. Put your number in it. We go text you here.
Alright.
What, gentlemen?
Daddy Jacko.
No. Me not really want you shout out certain things, guys. Remember, say, I don't really want a good community this year.
Oh, Daddy, you know what say? Do you know what say? Auntie Karen not top garum bar and them what you got the whole line money.
Calm down, no. Me know, say, I saw you go. But
All the next one day.
who that, Shan?
Yeah.
What am to her?
Sure. He not go to school and not take him book and me wanna go to school.
What?
And Auntie Karen have her in her house and don't make she go to school.
Why at least one hour can really turn to something good. Here we go have to go do. Cause right now I don't Karen me go. But where I go?
Eh?
Where we I go?
Are you me a come to?
Me I come to?
Yeah.
You never look like me I come to, you know.
Yeah, are you me that come to for true?
But for me laying there over there, so.
No, here, sir. Me can't walk here, so. Daddy, me can't walk here,
For me laying
so.
there over there, so.
Me can't walk here, so.
Me can't trust you, Riri. Me
You
can't
said
trust you.
you there, so.
Me
I
even
me always
wanna
walk.
have to turn on to something good in life, you know, even one.
Auntie Karen.
Alright, listen, Auntie Karen is a rumhead. Me know that already.
Me say last night, oh God, he make you woman down and shop disgrace we.
Who that?
The woman who won the shop down there, so. Cause he said we don't go trust.
Lord of mercy.
Cause in the girl run back go buy fever, daddy. You know how much is fever? Yeah.
Vibes Cartel happy I know. Alright, listen me I say. What you need to do for me is just maintain the peace with Auntie Karen and Shan. Are you the most listen me I say, man. You're the most responsible one. You're
Yes,
the only
sir.
responsible one. You understand me I say?
Yeah.
And you are you not really have to call me daddy? You can't say Jacko.
Jacko.
Jacko, just a Jacko.
Alright, Jacko.
Yeah, just a Jacko. Cause you're a big girl, you know.
Yeah.
You're 19-year-old, you know. A long time you having about normal them 7 year 18 if you go along and do no work and sitting.
Auntie Karen.
Alright.
Then if you talk to her, she need to load the rum drinking.
Me can't stop her from drink. Only me can't stop
But
her.
she use the money what she use buy food. Eat shit with a rum
That
bar.
me want to talk to you about now. What me go do is me go still give her what she forget and me have to go no full money. You can balance the money?
Yes, daddy.
Make
Yes,
sure-
Jacko.
Jacko.
Cause like how me see her now, be a mosquito by me.
Mm.
Like how me see her now, me not have to bother come to you, so me I go back down. So where I go?
Let me tell you something, I go. Go down a
So come
Karen.
on.
No, what you need to do is make me chat to her first,
Okay.
and then you can forward.
So
See?
me fi go.
Me I go down so now, but me I tell you what I going from yes so. So me know you feel like saying you understand what to do. You answer me I say?
Alright, Jacko.
You ready? Even though when you call me Jacko, you sound like you're manners, you know, because you say Jacko.
Jacko.
No, don't bother with that. Come. Ready, let's go.
How that? How that? Ah?
Jacko.
Jacko, where you there? Jacko, where you come for? Give me money, come. Where you flash me keys for? Jacko, give me the money. For money you come to give me.
Alright, let me tell you this now. You know, say the woman can't breathe. And me tell her, say, I know for me picking them because she can't breathe. And you know, I go tell her, say, I go talk about the picking them. And you know what I want already. So me have to make she feel, say, I just take care of picking them. Why you taught them something there? Me send her 75,000 every month. Oh, you gone back and drink again?
Jacko.
Yeah.
Jacko. You see, when I talk, just not make a spit touch me. And you see, when I raise your hand, no make not even breeze brush past me. Because Jacko, some things I'm on there right now, me, brother, hey, me will kick up on your back, you know? Me will kick up on your back. Now play with me, Jacko. Jacko, let me tell you something now.
Remember, say, me hold you so. From your picking up until now. You see how big me hand them be? Or you gonna butt me? Yeah, eh? I buck you and butt me?
Jacko, listen to me. Me show you something this evening. I show me under my eye and my tackle hands here. Jacko, let me tell you something. Jacko, let me tell you something, Jacko.
Smell it rum. Smell it damn rum. Smell it damn rum. Eh? 75,000 me give every month.
Jacko, we 75.
Karen. 75,000 me give every month for them two hungry belly picking there when me tell you what I go on. No, this woman a come on me here that create problem. I go to me for
75,000 is not enough, Jacko.
To do what?
You need to send 100,000, Jacko. Jacko send 100,000. Jacko, when you send the 75, the rest, if you make up the 100,000, you need to give it to me. Jacko, my energy and time, I waste on them. When me for the out, me can't the out, me have to babysit them. And I'm a big girl, Jacko. You want them breathe before time, Jacko. If them breathe before time, you know, Jacko. Them pin they'll come in for me, you know. And Jacko,
you know what I'm saying?
you know what more you da spending time?
You know what I'm saying? Riri don't like you though.
Me know.
Why she not like you?
I mean, I like Riri.
Why you think she don't like you?
Because she see you just like me and she can't stand me.
Because she hears say you are stop off a shop, a bar, and a gamble out the money. As we give the money, so you gamble out $50,000 and use 25,000 just to give them little lunch money to go to school. God.
So Jacko.
God, I'll strike you again.
Yay!
God, I'll strike you.
What? Hey. God, I'll strike who?
You.
God, I'll strike you.
For what?
You see the locks there? God, I'll strike them. And you see when God strike them locks there? You go see how they look bright and outside. They look like a madman.
Judgment upon you.
Judgment and lightning and thunder down upon you. Yeah. Drunk crow.
Listen to me now.
Crow
See?
bait.
It is about time now we have a civil conversation. And it's about time now you understand, say, you have to give up certain life. You can't so corrupt. You take it, I bet me start telling, I bet me tell you how much money you really get. Alright, you know what I'm going to start though? Me I go give Riri the money to maintain the house here.
Alright, hold on there.
How you do?
Give Riri money then.
Yo,
Give Riri, put it back up.
Alright.
This is for Shanice and this is for Riri.
Alright.
You can't do buy them a good proper suitcase.
Alright.
Give Riri money now. No, don't step up. Don't give me at least 95,000. I see if they not come out. You want to play with me? Jocko, you want to play with me? You know who me be, really be? You want to play with me, Jocko? Huh?
Yo,
Jocko.
don't make a spit touch me.
Jocko.
Don't make a spit
Jocko,
touch me.
Jocko, if they spit
Don't
a
make a
touch you,
spit.
if they spit a touch you, you start going good in the bed with the woman. Bright and outside, brighty. Hey, Jocko, don't play with me now, Jocko. Jocko, me realize, say, you come a call and put me hand them like see you want to pop me little maga hand them. Jocko, me ring this. Jocko, me say me ring it. Jocko, don't play with me now. Jocko, you know say, me little sister, but you know say nothing wrong with me, come a little bit, but me talawa. Jocko, give me 95,000 a month time, and me not call the phone none time till the next month.
So if we give 95,000, how much them I get for themselves?
Jocko, me I go give them 80,000 and keep the rest.
Why if my brother have to go and foreign and live, man? Me know some brother they have better job. I just because a woman and can't breathe, you know. And me not really want to hurt her feelings and a good woman.
Jocko, pitney,
You understand?
pitney and get Jocko.
Because she not do her hair, she not do her toe, she not do her nails, she not drink a rum bar, she go to church, she pray for me.
Jocko, you see me pitney?
She not even want yam chicken.
Jocko, you see me pitney? You see me care about woman can't breathe? Me say,
No, but me I say, it's the only reason why me and you in a business I do that because of she. And me really don't want to say, boy, me I go tell her, come I know how she go deal with it.
Then Jocko, if you know...
Because me hear say she's sick with it in damn heart and in heart weak. You understand? And a good woman take care of me.
So since as a good woman, why you not take the pin in them and curve over there? Why you give me the responsibility? Why you give the remedy, the corrupt one, me the pin in them?
It's not about that. It's about the facts. Say, me know say, Shan is not a cup of cake what can live with. I know that. We have a time when her brain gonna spook, gonna moan and come back. And that is the problem. And it's just that. I mean, know say sometimes it's hard to say, me want to, me no want to live with them, but them are gonna mash up my life. And that they go do. Because they go, the first thing Shanisa says, step a sitting where you walk on. How you feel say that in front of a woman? Me if you go propose to a woman, really take your ring and...
So why Shanice go when they come tell the people know exactly what I tell her? I tell Mr. Shanice, you don't have no step away walk on. Shanice really going to tell the people step away walk on. Jesus Christ.
So you tell him to tell him?
No, me only I said to Shanice, you know, step is what you walk on. We don't deal with step more than when we are take down on and Shanice.
Alright, Hero, listen, I can't afford what you're talking about. Because I have some work that come up. So if I somebody case, I can only step it up to 55,000. That's it for right now.
How much?
55,000. That's it. I can't do no better. Because it's
Jocko, come out. Jocko, come out. Come out. Jocko, come out, you know. Come out. 55,000, that even 65.
Karen, you know how I stay already, you know. A certain thing, I put on in the Karen. I put it down, you know. Don't bother the foolishness. You hear me I say? All right.
Afraid of you? Let me afraid of you.
Go pull on your... Go
Rasta boy, go put on that yourself. No, too.
Where room?
Look, yo.
Where room smell, sir?
My room smell, so I have to girl them. Then I clean up in here. And me have to do everything. You come and go and chat.
So, no, use a disinfectant. It smell like somebody left our garbage for 2 weeks. No, sir.
But check it big house sitting there when you left in there. I'm not flush that.
Alright, listen to me, I said. Do not call back my woman's phone. Do not call back my woman's phone. You hear me, I said to you? Simple as that. 55,000.
55, yo. Hey, you say me never see your mother, me tell you about your mama. Oh. Tell me like, you know, as someone want sweep, you know, out. Sweep out no nastiness, because I like, you know, drunk crowd. Now, open my door, I can't sweep out the door. Where you come from, little girl?
Me go.
Move away over here, so me want you for there. Where you come from? Watch out. Sit down off a bed.
No fear.
Where you come from?
Me go up there so.
Where Shande?
Me Shande never the photo one time. Me don't know where they.
So now big woman now.
No, Shandi tell me to meet him somewhere, but when we reach our place, never see him. He never show up.
Never show up.
Never show up.
Never show up.
He never show up.
So your man yard, Shan gone. Man your yard, you go look for Shan. Man yard.
Daddy Jacko. Me go. What him?
You go for Daddy Jacko. You show say no Maka yard you go. And he joke you. Me say if you show say I no Maka yard you go and he joke you.
No, me sure. Daddy Jacko.
Where you say you go for Jacko go do?
Me go talk to him.
What? Talk to Jacko say what?
Hey, be a rum bar you go.
Little girl. You go up at Jacko yard, go tell him, say, I be a rum yard, rum bar me go.
Yeah.
So what you tell him for? What you tell him for? Rum drinker, stacky.
Yeah, stacky.
Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You see, if I stand up here, say in front of me.
You tell me
No.
argue. Go and call Shan and see which part Shan dey.
What you mean by me for caution and go see which part Shande? What you mean by that? Me did tell you to fill yard?
Me go.
So you go up at thinking Jacko.
What you got think?
Go call up my name and scandalize it. So what you go tell Jacko say?
Me tell him, say, you gotta be a rum, you gotta take your money by. And you buy fever. You buy fever last night.
Buy fever, I'm a fever,
Like
I'm
catch
a know.
cold.
I'm a fever, I'm a know. I'm a fever, I'm a know. Let me tell you something, you know. Sometimes I wonder if Jacko and father. Sometimes I have to wonder, cause this minute in one, no, and in next minute in this one. You know what
I mean by that?
In a real life, una jacket.
What jacket?
Let me tell you, you and Shan a jacket.
Then why just throw me away?
You and Shan a jacket because the last time I checked, me and Jacko come from pretty hair breed. And no in a fear Shan head no pretty.
So,
Uno mama here pretty.
Yeah, I know.
Uno mama here pretty.
Well, me get me great grandmother here.
Which great grandmother here again? Cause last time I checked for me and Jacko great granny here. Indian girl, look at this. Look at the baby hairs on here. What them there show me? A cream, I forgot cream, I make it like a somebody. And let me tell you something, you know. You see, if I pass your place one more time with me now,
You know, be China.
I make sure say,
Yeah.
you see the little scandal bag where you have so.
Time you there, so caution and find out which part she there.
Caution and find which part Sunday. Caution and find. How this ya? Which number this ya? I'm not just change number, you know.
What if I shall?
Hello. Yes, this is Karen. Talk fast now. Me then I want a situation, you know. Talk fast. What? What? What do you mean by you can't find Shan? Jesus. Me I come now. Jesus Christ. So your father Shan go take man. Me? And now they can't find. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. Let me tell you something, you know. If you don't feel like say, you not gonna mash up a little money when me and make friend Jacko no make a sad mistake.
What kind of money?
Hello, go on.
Are you fi go on?
Let me go.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, want but not what you need. When you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse. When the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, but when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Yeah. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you, to fix you. High up above or down below, and when you're too in love to let it go.
Hello? Yeah.
But if you never try,
No, something else is going No, sir, let me hurt this time. Girl, my heart nearly took me yesterday because I find out some things about Jacko. Yeah, he picked me them when sister keep. You know, say no. His sister called me over there yesterday and I go over there. And the girl, she a tell me say like she a say pick me then a favor Jacko, they look like jacket. Like she a say something like she a give me hint. Say pick me them off with Jacko. Yeah. And I believe say them a fee because from them look at him a take care of them. And I'm brother already a foreign. I always him and I like saying brother send him money and something. I don't know. Right now, I feel stressed out. Like, I just keep it on the low because I know my heart take me. Yeah. I could be. What? Me I tell you. All yesterday, when I go home and I talk to him, he say no feel I in responsibility them. Yeah, other thing I say nah admit it. But me have to go find out. Me have to go find one way how to find out if I really feel pitney them. Yeah. Hold on there. Shana call me. Hold on. Hello? Shan. Yeah, come? Off already? Alright. Me the right eye gate. You know the two me the gate. Me meet eye gate. Yeah. Yeah, me not worry myself too
So
much.
not?
Because I know my heart take me.
So girl, I ever live her
Later, I
phone.
go call her back.
Girl, you ever live her phone. Awa,
I don't know.
you just ever look stressed. What wrong with you?
You make me ever look stressed.
You out to live her phone, you just look stressed out.
Because
Me
me
not like when
stress.
my friend they look so,
Listen.
when me there on you can't stress. You know bother with me. Me not like that. I would
Gotcha.
call you. Again.
Yeah, girl.
Jesus Christ, the girl I can't call your phone. Me I only friend if you have
No,
never know.
no.
Where you tell me full and from now?
Yeah, girl. Me not tell us.
Girl! Get off her phone!
Relax now.
But me be
Me
not
tell us I'm go call her back. Me call her back. Yeah? Yeah.
why you stressed? Every day you have stress.
Alright, when you say you come on here?
No, me not like how as me pull a gate there right as up on a phone like you been away. Somebody,
You know what, my man already relax. Come, when you say you come on me yard for?
no, you have to tell me why your problem. What do you? What?
What happened to you?
You tell me what do you? Cause me not like how you dey out here so you sit down for do me for me come here yard. No, do me.
But normally you come on me yard because they are mixed up or something.
Hey,
So.
me not know mix up this trip.
Girl, I say yesterday me dey home, you know.
No,
And
say sitting there, no.
Jacko's sister called me. Me go over there. And she tell me say Jacko not give her as much money for pitney them and something. So me I say, like mother say, so if you not, give as much money for pitney them and something. Long and short of the story. Oh, she attack like say pitney them for Jacko. That's what she attack. So me I say, I don't like say Jacko pitney them and brother foreign pitney them. So where you going so far if you in the give that the amount of money there? First and foremost, things you 30 grand in gear, you say 15. So I don't understand what really I go on there, so.
Somebody a tell lie.
Exactly, that's my point, girl. So when me go home and me I talk to Jacko about it, Jacko attack like say no film pitney them. So me no know what I go on. Me no know if a Jacko pitney me I have to go find out one way, or if I find out if a film pitney or something.
You know say man lie.
Me no know.
And you know say you can't breathe.
Shan, why you have to do that?
Man lie and you can't breathe. And I tell her,
So,
then, and I tell her,
no, listen. Why more to worry myself about it? How much years me and Jacko there, right?
then,
If you have a pitney,
the man
tell
lie
me.
and you can't breathe. And you the stress over 3 months situation. We a time hard right now. The chocolate tea and no bikini. You can't get none. Let me tell you,
How
that
much
I
you happy
leave.
about that?
Aye, that I leave a fear stress. You don't want to me stress and problem right now.
What fear stress?
You don't know say. Who am I live?
You and your brother? Damn.
Alright, you don't know what say. Me have some money in a my jar. Then I plan for the money and I plan with the money and the money I plan with me. Me stay so boom now this morning. Go in at the jar, dig up the jar, I look for money. Can't find money.
Oh.
And me don't know if I foot the money gain or a wings, the money take and fly gone, the money gone. And me don't know where the money gone. And that's my problem.
Oh, that's your
and
problem?
enough money.
Shana, that's your problem. You know,
You
say
this
you're a
a
little idiot.
What I mean?
You know, say you're a fool. You don't have no sense. So me
Hey,
to
girl.
God, you come and me yard come tell me say money take up foot and walk and wings and gone.
Then what me feel?
No. Why you leave? No, you're your brother. No must your must your brother nimble finger them taking money
No,
and
my
gone.
brother not do that, girl.
Your brother not do that?
My brother we always for me brother. We always ask me for me
My
money.
brother. And me come
You
here
know say
yard
I
come
know
take
one
your
good
money.
friend. Me da believe say you for true.
And me.
Cause you over there last week and you. Anybody fi take your money are you. I mean know my brother not take me money. Girl, up to this morning, and me and Willie call the furniture man and the cement man and few things say for money for we buy for furniture them and the cement them. Willie not do that, girl. So nobody come go like say you want put
You remember you just tell me say man lie? Your brother lie.
me I talk about
Your
man
brother
when
a
we
man.
asleep with me not talk about my brother.
Your brother a man too.
My brother
No,
not do
when
that.
a vagina you split.
Hey girl, you hear me say my brother not do that.
I know that. Come on to me yard.
You know say I know what true you have baby stress and man stress you want. Me fi go and go stress with my brother. Still
Go
your
and
man
go stress with your
stress.
brother thief your money.
I don't know.
Nobody else now come here
And
and
anybody
thief
fi
your
take your
money.
money and you. That's why me no come a
That's
girl
why
yard
I
like
don't come
you.
a people yard.
And that's why me no come a girl yard like you. A man who make us stress you. Before you make asset stress you. You know make man and
Why me
pity.
go make that stress?
Then me
Me
could
have all of that already. You fool.
Wait!
Come out of me yard.
You don't have a child. I hit the
Come
stress
else
you.
you come out.
I hit the stress you. Pick me. Me have 4 and want somebody to take them from me like you a make man and pick me stress you.
Yeah, them fi stress me.
Go in and go put your money in
Later.
a bank, girl. I idiot I take you give me a fool like boy you make pick me and man and stress you. Somebody, it's a girl. Hey, it's a girl. Me a mix up with you. Mix up.
So you just come so strong.
So me
I
don't tell
swear I think somebody dead.
somebody I got it. Yeah, you don't know what say. You want Marika after me go link you girl, you know. See
How
girl.
name America?
Where me? You don't know Marika.
How name so again?
You don't know Jacko woman.
Oh!
You know, so me have to go lick sense in my head.
No, me never
Yeah, no, say. Go on a gal yard. See girl turn up and gate, you know. Lie me a tell me, call the gal. And tell the girl say me a come link her, show her one pray. Me see mom's look stressed out, so me a say enter. You know, say if me have one friend, me no really like see them look certain way. Me no really business with them, you know, but me no like see them look certain. So me say, girl, how are you? He say, nothing to me. So me say, girl, what are you? You must say, Jacko have a picnic. And I do like say I don't feel picnic. And you don't know what you believe. And the girl can't breathe, you know.
Me myself there can't breathe either.
You feel no way?
You know, see me I live my life.
Okay.
See,
Friend like
I'm
you,
a
me like.
bartender. What about
Friend
picnic
like
now we are nowadays, so me don't know.
friend like you, me like. You see a stress bomb man and picnic when me they run from.
Girl, look for me.
Before
You know, see how me nice.
look there, cushy.
Me top stress.
Fully
Where stress I go?
stress only make you take off weight and make you look like you're
Exactly. Exactly.
I don't know what say, girl want nest before girl left the boy. And go up.
She want to slap in a fear head. Me not stress about no man.
Listen up. You just want in a people business and you not listen.
Oh.
If me that the girl away, me I take my girl money, you know. Me I take my money and buy a car, buy a house, do this girl stress out. After me go fi tell the girl say me have much money in my jar and him money come like say take up food gone, him won't tell me say I wait. Right.
Willie.
You want me lick your head again? My brother Willie girl, you lose focus. Cigarette I get you.
Willie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, if you know what me know, you would think I him do it. Well,
You too. Yeah, right too.
I'm just saying because his friend did who me and his friend could pay me and I him pay.
Willie.
Where you get money from?
Willie pay how much money?
His friend did one me $4,000 and he Willie took out $5,000 give me and say, alright, keep it change.
Yeah.
Yeah. And go about him business.
But Willie not have no money.
Come over here and look me about him have money and him have meat and this and that, blah blah blah.
Me, Shani now work.
Yeah, so where you get it from?
You see, if me ever have a limit, just a little ink, like so. Say him take money.
Me yes, say him a work at issue money still, so me know. And that me here right, so me then none of that me here.
You never to smoke without fire. And that's why one America go on so. Or talk about how.
Well,
Look like she get some money too.
I don't know.
Me
Like me always there work, so.
Me go get down to the bottom of this. Me still nobody can tell me say I'm my brother take the money. Willie not take my money, it's not Willie. I know Willie. And this morning, me borrow Willie phone, and call the furniture place and tell him say, more one dresser set. Willie not do that. So you are trying to brainwash me against my brother. Me tell him keep it alive. Me for some reason me feel like say you see yesterday I said like you don't know Marika come me and come take money and no share and want say my brother. Two a one.
This a girl.
Me not trust you.
Me, I don't have time for we ain't not me not have time for you walk and take people money. You see what me there? Me there walk.
Hey
Me
girl.
walk for my own. Me
just-
a independent girl. Me no walk and beg.
Me just deal with Marika, you have to make me come and your place come deal with you. What make you stay so? You know say me not like you like you.
I'm just saying, if you want to believe, you don't believe. Me not say your brother, I'm just saying.
Me go left your place. I say, anyone find out say America spend my money? Or be unto Jesus with the two of you. You want to look witch too. You don't like that, you know? You like no, you America is same thing. You do like you don't know America. It's all not
But what could I really cause this for me in this? Hey, me know another desk, come on my bar. No, we don't mix up, right? Let me go call. I want to boy your name again. Sometimes I don't remember their name because I don't know what kind of name that their mother give them. Their mother must never like them. Me can never yet call this idiot and get film phone. Hello. Yeah, I'm your friend number. What your name? Willie. What? No, sir. No. Me and Willie doing nothing. It's just that I want to start up some business, some money stealing and go on, and my name I get involved. I'm going to have to stab somebody. Someone want number, just pass on the number quick and fast. Please and thank you. Alright, thanks. Hello. You not come bother with it now, no. Cause no, because me call you feel like say you have all powers over me. Anyways, when me hear say I go on. Cause your sister just go approach me a while ago, you know. I'm not like how she a go on. She says she a miss money and me see you as walk as pen like you and me. So how that go? From me, know you me never yet see her work, so where you get money from? Hey, one thing me have to tell you, you know. You see this miss money business, I don't want me name a call up. You realize me have my little business right there, so? And it take time to kick off. I don't want to hear me name, me no mix up. If you realize me stay far from mix up. So you see, if you know say you are take your sister money, you try go approach her, please. Cause she just left my bar a while ago. And she said she has suspect me and Marika. Hey, and I don't have to crucify somebody. So here when me I say no, me just call if you want you. So you see, if you take the people their money, they try to bring you back. Coming in a way, you know. What you mean? Hey, me mad, you know. And I don't have to find you. Me just call if you deliver a message still. Come have time for you. Come off my phone. Have a lovely evening. Right.
Babe,
Babes,
yeah?
what's why in there? Where you there? Where you come from?
I did there in my yard.
Babes,
How you look so?
babes, I'm stressed out.
Why you are stressed, boy, for me? You are stressed.
The business what me talk about.
Me not tell us I'm going to buy them tomorrow.
What babes, the money in the jar.
What you mean by say money in a jar? Me left the money in a jar.
Babes, the money in the jar.
The
Before me
money
reach, I
in
say you
there.
know much time you use the bathroom. Me stressed out.
And me take out the money out of the jar and put it where me put it.
So babes, if you take out the money, you don't deal with the thing, you don't get the furniture them.
Me say tomorrow me go buy them.
Babes,
And me tell Willie say Willie call the people them today.
me not trust Willie, you know.
What you mean by say you don't trust Willie? You are one of them too.
Babes, I tell you something. I'm your brother, you know. I know you respect him and love him, you know. What do you know, me give him boy money for go Superfly and you know come, you know. He
Here
need
again.
half money, you know.
Here again.
And now the money miss so. Why me feel sorry him, babes? Come on,
Everybody a tell me say Willie take money. You know say uno me no trust. Willie not do that, you know?
man. Babes, who does that?
Willie not do that.
Babes, and me. Your man, your soulmate. Babes, and me. Boo, you not trust me?
Yeah man, you sold me. Boo, you don't trust me. Willie, it don't matter what you gonna tell me, say Willie not take my money.
Babes,
You can't talk about Will.
Babes. me know say love what you have for your brother. Different from family, but
Exactly.
So,
That
babes,
me a talk about.
but-
So how you do that you cannot have sense. Don't come go like say you want brainwash me against brother. You hear me say you want to leave Willie alone? You talk about some money in the brother. Me say I me move the money. And me say tomorrow me go get it something of them.
me glad you show your brother love. But why you not show me no love like how you show your brother
I
love?
don't know what this. I don't hear there.
Jesus Christ.
I don't hear sleep when night come.
Babes,
I don't you me see every day just like come me see him.
babes, when you say I
Why you
will
try to
tomorrow-
compare my brother with you?
Jesus Christ, Father God.
What are you? Watch out. Go here. Me not stress and you are stress.
Babes,
You don't hear me say me take up the money from out of the job, put it where me fi put it.
you that hurt me. Will you say I'll get them tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow.
Me I go use the bathroom. I go back around the yard. Me I hurry up. Me not trust your brother. You see a boy there?
Man, they stress over me and me want a personal business and me never see this yet. Make sure you say that shit up yourself. What is this?
Jacob. Oh, you're by your phone. Sorry. By your phone.
Listen, bro.
Sorry.
Yeah, so, that's how one. Alright. If I don't just send the money down my sister. Just money for my sister. Yeah, come here for you, brother. Yeah. I'm going to really want to grow in the island, I'm going to tell you now. Alright.
Jacob, sorry. Oh, I want to come up by phone.
Yeah, man, I want one.
Jacob. This area. Okay, how much you in now?
29. No,
25. This area, Jacob. It come like a film sadness. Everything me do, you come like before you see positive and negative. I don't feel me hear this, Jacob. I well want this area done. Jacob. The woman I have with when I live with them, I sleep, I squeeze the bump in my face. You know me I talk about. You know how long me I save money, me I save up some money. When me go see on boat, if say boat say sea rough and the man them have their swims in a box. Me scale for money, me I save up the money for buy some furniture.
Talking about that, you know. You remember say you went to deliver some fish and some shrimps. And me don't know what I want with them inside.
Jacob, I must tell us a sea rough, you know, Jacob.
Yeah, but the money not rough when you get in your pocket. What? You must make the money, you know, so me understand what. Me just want to know, say, you remember that, but continue.
Remember, Jacob, but remember say, listen me, I say, no man. Brother, I come to talk to you and he come like, yeah, carry me down like a woman. And in different brother, carry me down, Jacob.
Where you say?
Really, me not.
What with them?
Me I save up the money. Me tell you why I know if you remember. Me I save some money to buy some furniture, put in the house. The one when you Willie, you know me not like him, for woman, brother. Me not like him.
That little boy, I don't know.
What do you know me I got super fly now? You would say you want to go. Remember say me not rate him, but me do it because me love me woman. Give the boy the money now. $2,000 for pay going a super fly. $3,000 for buy one 2 or 3 Magnum and one Red Bull. Jacob, me in a super flyer, me I get busy and party. You think me see Willie take me money and show me a talk about the woman better now. No, the furniture them now when me fi buy now. Jacob, me can't find the money. Me can't find the money in the jar.
So you believe say I Willie take your money?
Jacob.
So what your woman say? That's the next thing I ask. What she say?
Hold on.
You check her from there?
Jacob, you come over my yard? Yes or no?
No.
No. So now you take it. Why me I go take my own money? Answer somebody. So now me take it. Me woman saw him take up the money if you go buy the furniture tomorrow. But me not, Jacob. Me not believe him. Me feel like I Willie take me money. Willie take me money, man. Take up for Willie.
Why?
You wanna call me a fool?
Eh?
There's nothing what me can tell him say. But Willie. Him believe Willie, nobody can tell him nothing. Jacob, Jacob.
But you know, say I saw she stay already, bro. You know, say I saw that girl Shan stay, cause you know, I woman still, you know, I'm not really like forgetting a certain thing, but the way how she
Jacob, me not tell her forget tonight. Split the just. Jacob, me ain't no friend.
Yeah.
Jacob, me not give you a whole heap of fish, whole heap of time. Me give you free fish you not pay for.
But
me give you a lobster, though.
Yeah, but that fish wanna sell and then sitting there, what? It's like say, it's not like you go to see and say, boy, alright. You know, for all of the money, listen, me still want the money, me still want it. If a money me give for them sitting there, me need them, you know. Yeah. I want party, me a keep, and me say to you say ropes. But me I tell you say party and next week. So whatever you have to do for gather, what you gather, and make sure next week me get what me forget. You understand me I say?
Jacob, you look like it's straight. You see, look here, Jacob, look, are you me a talk to? Style of keeping party while you're super fly. And me selling fish. Think you can cook and give the people them. He never have no problem with me. Why you have a problem? Jacob, me no friend, Jacob.
I was there, you know, and realized everything went smooth. So I say, me no want one next edition of Superfly or whatever they call thing and you say boy because of that why you never sort out my thing. You understand? That's how I say, me a friend you know. We not go around nothing you know. Hey, laugh man and smile man.
Jacob.
But all me I say to you say, me no feel good for no say you lose your money. Cause me a friend different because me know how me not feel.
You know that me a
Your
talk
own
about Jacob
yard.
and Dele a cut me Jacob. You know much time me ride the bike for a morning.
Brother.
You know much time me ride the bike. Room. Brrr. A 5 tissue me done you know Jacob. For ride the bike you know. And the woman a Jacob what me fi do?
What you need to do right now is figure link that boy the Willie. That the boy the Willie, you know say him have the money.
Jacob.
And it's not a if but and maybe you know say I will have the money.
Jacob what you do?
Eh?
How much fish me fi give you? How much fish me
Remember
fi
say
give
a
you?
10.
Jacob me I go give you 20. Follow me go link him now.
No sir. Frank somebody.
Jacob me
Me
I go
and
give
them
you
ca-
10 pound of fish.
Listen,
Follow me go link.
No,
Go
me,
link Willie now.
no. You alone, my boss. No man is an island, no man stands alone. But in this case, you have to stand alone for that cause. Them the little boy there. Hey, you ain't loud. I beer rum and drink. I rum in just drink rum, chicken and beer. That's it.
Jacob, let me tell you something, Jacob. You see you are one good youth, you know. But you see friend should be a good person. Every time, 24 hour, 100%.
Yeah.
You is not a good friend right now.
Yeah, just right now.
You are not a good friend right now.
Yeah. Well, as them say, remember say everybody. It's just like how you have a factory
You know what I feel say?
That's my
You are
factory
working with
fault.
Willie.
No, I'm not. This a boy you work with.
Jacob, you're good. Oh. You don't have the money.
You see friend today? We were not full friend, now we are half friend. Take it to me tell you that. Half friend.
You're good enough. You're good, Willie. You're good.
Alright. Why you search me? Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Start saying desperate. Well, I'm gonna check my record.
They say that won't make it if they can't get full control. They say that won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you.
Well, I can't, but I will search. How we are going?
How that become my business?
Next your question is where you going?
Where you want to know that for?
Oh, that's what I know.
What your problem, Jacko?
My problem, Marika. So things you know? Marika.
Where did the from man? Then you pitney them down.
Lord have mercy.
Wow. How much years nearly and you hide this from me? And you expect me to be alright?
Hide what from you?
So you have pitney. Just stop lying to me, Jacko.
Why am I going to lie to you so long?
Looking at me and tell me say I feel them.
Jesus Christ, my Father. Why is this no? She have put in on my face and if you looking at item. You don't need to look in the item.
You can't looking at my face.
You don't need to look in your face. Alright, I'm looking at your face. Is not.
You not look for me.
The kids them are my responsibility.
Your responsibility.
You understand me I say?
You fear them.
I feel me
Fear them, you have about them. Oh, so all your brother not sending no money for them?
You mean brother not sending no money for them? Because it is family picnic where we just have to take care of. Because them people them migrate.
You see this it not go work out.
When I work out.
Alright, guess what me gonna do? Me not gonna give you no money for this amount of them.
Me?
Yeah.
You mean give me no money for this
Matter of fact,
amount?
give me my card.
Alright, listen now. Remember say after me and you save
Yeah.
and we put together and get the partner and we put the money in the bank and we do that.
Yeah, but and my money I help take care of your responsibility there.
Some of it are for your money and not every bit are for your money.
Listen, me not in a back and forth with you, you know.
So because of the situation now what my sister cause, you're gonna make this relationship go downhill. That you tell me now?
Oh, me can't believe I'm in love with that liar though.
All because of this sister. She come to you now because she want money and she gonna mash up my relationship. And you're gonna fall feet now and make the relationship go down the road. Eh?
Alright then.
Remember say you can't have I mean I have a problem with certain things.
Jacko. And that's why it's alright. It's alright.
But me not have problem. What you talk about? Double it with the car, man. When you heart go take you again. Me no in that situation there. Just relax yourself. All I'm saying, today is just a good day for me. You know what happened today?
What happened
You know, say
today?
for my brethren coloring book. Him know come tell me say, theme woman, right? Theme woman, get money for putting furniture in a house. You might have seen fisherman brethren me tell about.
You talk about Shan, man.
Yeah, that's such a name. No,
No,
because
Shan brother thief your money.
you hear about it?
Yeah, Shan come in my yard today.
Lord, she come
And
here
she
today?
cuss me, say me come my yard come thief your money. Me we have money we can give Shan. Shan come say me thief her money with her bride self.
But I mix up them and bring pan for me thing. So me I tell you say everybody having like a problem, but me I say don't put this situation as a problem.
So what you tell me
Look how
people
we-
business?
Yeah, because me I say sometimes you have to understand say problems come and problems go, but we need to let it go. Guys, alright now she come check you and put fear and stress upon you. You feel safe to stress me out with certain other things. I saw stress go. So you have to let go certain things and I make them situation that bother you. So my corrupt sister now come talk to because she want money. More money for money. And then she go lick your can. People don't talk things when I hurt people, you know. People talk things for hurt people because they want to get them in a situation to make them feel vulnerable. No, you feel vulnerable and you want to come check me and me she out fine, you know. That the girl let out for hey, I don't know. She just always hot for me. I mean not me know the on the road now, me and body come hug up and talk to and me feel out of place. No, you see, you know how me stay. You know how me stay. Me no ease up of a thing easy. Me have a rough day. How me feel have a rough day out the road and then come home to somebody where them no want to comfort me and I'm something there.
Sorry. Me sorry.
You know, if you think about the reaction and gain and what them thing there. I mean, you know. Eh?
You know what I want to hug? Me no want the hug there, so you hug me.
Yeah, because me half forgive you. So me give you half.
Oh. You gonna make me heart take me?
No, your heart not gonna take you. Come. So how we gonna go?
Yeah, that's part, but that's part.
Go.
Money. Shanice! Shanice! How is this a girl there? Oh, I forgot to say there. Riri! I need some tea. Because today is a very, very, very busy day. I have to collect up today. Riri! See them two pit near the door. They can't give me strokes before time, you know. Because I'm a young somebody. Think I jack of this. You see how jack of all. I'm 25. I'm a young somebody jack of 30 years ago and I'm 40 and I'm going to stress me out. I have to collect up the money them today. You see all redhead one down here, Shanice. Riri! Right. Right now, me late. Top there. Can you say for me one thing? Me bust out your secret, girl.
Me not done pay you for that already. What you want?
And I matter of paying me. I saw more money you fi give me.
Oh, so me I work for me and you. Hello, right now work me I going
Hello, shut up, come in, I don't do that yet.
What your
Remember, me
problem?
have a secret, me have a whole file.
Okay.
So don't bright yourself with me here. Other day, me send conscious for your shop. And you come and come play hard upon me like you want to style me.
Okay, so because you know a little something about me, you feel like say you can take advantage. And where you take me for? Where you take life for? Where you really and truly take life for?
You know me take life for? Eh?
Where you take me for?
And
Cause
money
right
me
now,
love.
me late, you know.
That
Me
is
late.
life. Money is life. So you're the right just have to kill up yourself and me just clutch back so. Remember me have a file, you know, girl. I've never bust that, you know, you just get knocked. So when me tell you something, man, so when me come from your shop, when me come in your shop, go and trust something, don't play no hand upon me. I mean, not like, you see right now I want some things out of the shop. You see bully beef you send, come give me other night. That done. So, what you do?
So actually you're hungry. You decide to tap me on the roadside and I talk about you have secret to me. Me look like me care. I don't care zero because me done make up my mind already. You see, if you don't pay that the bill, you're not getting nothing else. So what you say now? You don't talk, me can't go about my business. Come and have time for you know, your eyeglass and what me I go.
You look like you white in them for your tongue. A fool. You look like you white scarf them around your mouth, a fool. Let me tell you something.
I run for you there.
Let me tell you something, girl. You need to clean the tongue ring there, because the tongue ring there, you want justice. Let me tell you something, my girl. Me say me want to see you right now. So is either you run that or you no work for you today. No peace for you in your shop. So where you talk about? What a lie.
Liar tell. Me not have time to tell a person I go back and forth with you. So you hear what?
Let me tell you something,
can't
you know.
go my business. You are right.
Any business I go about, I have to put that on the table as me reach, girl. Right now, me have money problem, yeah?
Hey, your eyeglass, me not time for you, you know.
Right now, me have money problem, and me cuff you. Oh. Yeah, me an idiot. Right, that's why me I turn up on time until she reach, because she don't play with me, you know. John cannot play with me. No, I'm going to go check Jacko, you know, because you see Jacko going like some big eyeglass, you know. And Jacko not play with me and my money too. Oh. Jacko! Oh. Okay. Oh. Yeah, go on with. Yeah, eat. How are they? Snackables. You know, if I didn't see them, no. Too much salt. Well, anyways, what's Jacko there?
Oh, Jacko inside. Oh, wow.
Jacko there inside? You know what's between me and you? Before me call Jacko. Me no understand Jacko go on, you know. Jacko no come check me and know we don't proper money, you know. I mean, I understand what kind of style Jacko that I keep up, you know. Cause remember good, you know. Me and my two nieces them. And me I look after them. I know Jacko can't sort me out. You know, like dirty Rasta man style, you know. See there?
Why you not call your brother overseas? Why you always Jacko?
Why Jacko? Cause Jacko go take up his man responsibilities them. So me have to look after them now. Me like a papa have to look after them. Anyways, I know Shanice can't find, you know.
What you mean by that? Huh?
No, then we can't find Shanice.
So where is Shanice? So Jacko know?
I call Jacko and tell Jacko. I know we can't find Shanice.
So which part of the last place I see her?
Me no know. Me no see
so
last
you
place.
ask her sister?
She say she go for 1 year to look for me, but I really money had Shanice there. Anyway, I money me come boy, money me a talk boy. Jacko no sort me out the way how me supposed to get sorted out. Me want money.
Hold on. You come here for find Shanice or you come here for talk about money? Which one?
Me come here to talk about it. Two of them.
Listen.
Me come here to talk about it two of them. Cause remember, you know, I don't like some, you know, love me niece them, but you see money is a root of evil.
Listen.
But me are not evil, you know. But me love money, girl. Without money, here is nothing.
But me
So what you tell me, say?
I don't know me feel so you're good somebody. Don't make me change from the type of person.
Hey, girl, let me tell you something.
You call me girl?
Hey, girl, let me tell you something.
Why you call
Well,
me
girl, let me tell you something, you know. I know me make a can breed, you know. I know me make a
Wow,
mule.
so Jacko tell us that me can breed?
I know
so
me
Jacko
make a
tell
can
us.
breed. So, girl, let me bust out everything right now, you know.
So bust out everything now?
Don't let me
Why
bust
you
out
keep it
everything
back
right
from?
now.
Eh?
Jacko!
No can't take out the money stress for me.
Jacko!
You're supposed to go work and get your own.
Come out of the house, Janko.
You come here want to take my man money if you go my...
You need to go breathe for the man.
No worry about that.
Take it to Jim Bowling them from the yard.
Why me
want
take
money.
them?
Jacko, come out of the house. Dirty Jacko. Jacko, come out of the house.
Eh?
Girl, me not hear you, no. Me not listen to you. Me not hear nothing more you say. Jacko, come out of the house. Jankro. I know you go sort me out. Crosses,
So money really come here so about and the man and...
Jacko!
And he needs they can't find.
Jacko! You know something I like a dirty man.
So them a type of life you want me to live? No, them a type of life you want me to live.
No, me not like you, no dirty man.
Your sister go come here and call me mule?
No,
you tell her sister so me can't breed. Why you would do a thing like that?
I never
My sister, you ready for me dead, you know. My sister, you go make me drop down, you know.
Take time.
You go kill me before me
Just
time.
take
But
time,
it's
go.
alright. Let me go!
Just relax, no man.
Let me go!
Just take time, go.
Go in the house, mule. Go in the house. Boy, I run for call it, me gonna say me slung. Nice and comfortable.
Come on yourself, so. Eh?
I couldn't be one come fight.
Just calm down. See?
I want my mother girl me give some. I'm gonna take one of my long foot.
Just relax, Lord have mercy. Just relax, man.
Dirty Jacko, come. I mind the girl Jack down. Jacko, me not understand the style, you know.
What you want?
What
you want from me? You want mash me taste? Don't mash up my life. Eh? What happened?
Oh, you not gonna start me with the money.
Me what? Since 2 days ago? Everything for change? Eh?
Me not understand you.
2 days now. And you want money. Extra money. Alright, let me tell you something, Karen. You need to understand, say, what you do right now is very wrong. Because you keep on come here and you know so the woman now can't have pitney. See? And you just bringing her in face. Eh? Remember say you are pitney but you give them up, you know?
So?
Your man take your pitney and fly out.
You're lucky that is a good man. That is a good man to turn up to responsibility and check in pitney. Me boss out in a me. Hey, you see me, Karen? Me will go and go tell the girls, hey, them pitney they are fair. You go and like say them pitney are not fair. Hey, Jacko, don't play me. Jacko, come. Walk out the money, Jacko. Jacko, come. And you see it? Sean can't find, you know? Shanice cannot find.
What do you mean Shanice can't find? What are you talking about?
Shanice cannot find. Me get a call say Shanice missing. Shanice cannot find her. No. To today day, me not see Shanice.
Shanice?
Your daughter. But me not worry. Because guess what? I go some man here Shanice there.
So you come just for money? And you know, it's like you don't care about Shanice. So hold on. Which part sitting there? Which part Riri there? Which part Riri? You go and pop that crocodile tears because you never buy one day in your life yet. Our mommy a murder with it.
Me don't say that again, brother. So me don't care about them. Me don't say that, brother. But me care about money too. You don't say that, bro.
Listen, don't talk to her about the money. And when the money forward, I'm not even mountain yet. We have 2 more weeks left for the full circle of everything. If it's the full cycle, I say circle. I talk madness now.
Because anyone that was a chat about when cycle done and when cycle come and them they sitting there, you see it.
Alright, find Shanice and then we have a deal. The only way you can actually why am I tell a story? It's a come like a
control the data them.
I'm if you control them,
you can't hide the one and putting them from the woman.
Take time talk now.
You can't hide the one responsibilities.
Because you know how she's sensitive about picking her, she can't pick me, and then every time you talk about this situation, you make it worse. Why are you doing this to me, Karen? Eh? Why you doing this to me, Karen? When you walk all the way coming and say no, and you hear some you couldn't call me from when you hear from last night, yesterday when? Nobody no tell me nothing.
From last night. Hey, Jacko, let me tell you something, Jacko. Shanice, there's some man yard. And Riri know too. Riri know too. That's why you see Riri not to kill up himself.
You know, so me here say, Riri, I connect with that boy named Willie.
Which Willie? Fat Willie?
Me here say she ask Willie kind of information because which day when me I walk from around from Fimi yard, me see she walk down one lane where I know Fimi lane and then she said to me say she forward. But the little birdie tell me say Riri I collect money from this little boy named Willie. Eh? I know hear the whole full story of what going. Me here say some money business a thief up. Some money thief up from around sitting in the yard. What's his name again? First name is Shan. You know the big nothing me Shanice.
That's a Marga Shan.
Marga Shan. What deal with the bank what damn boy name again? Banknote woman. Cause banknote supposed to get money now. Save money if you can actually go buy furniture them in the house. Cause a long time I sleep on ground. So you want to buy furniture them now and then give you money and Willie go in the house and thief it and a floss. Can you imagine this thing? Eh? So that I go on right now. But me need you to find Shanice. When you find Shanice, then me give you some money. Right now, me need to left me yard. Please take your time, walk back
so
where
you
you come
can't
from.
go find him too?
Because of you response for her. That's why me pay your money. When me pay for then?
You're not paying more money for
So what me never pay until next week next 2 weeks from now.
Hey Jacko, don't pay me. I say if me find Shanice Jacko, I gonna give me money Jacko. Me say me make it on one ballad man.
This
Jacko,
a boy yeah?
Don't ramp with me no Jacko. Jacko, if me can't hold every chim me pay one man for chim Jacko, don't play with me. And me sink make a go jail and make them chim in the don't play with me Jacko. Jacko.
I don't even know who you talk to.
Watch out, I don't know who me I talk to.
You know who you talk to?
You know say Karen not afraid of no girl, no boy.
You really
you know that Jacko.
Word on the street say you's a junking woman and your head gone, you're done when you're ready. But today you come like a true, your head gone and you're done right now. Listen to me.
Fully Jamal.
Take time, walk one we are go.
Fully Jamal.
Take time.
Remember
Find her, call me, and then we can talk.
No, sister, later, yeah? Oi. No, we just... Alright, later.
Go on, see when I come. Yes, babe.
Come here.
May I come?
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy.
Yeah, hear me? That's the same I feel baby girl. Right now, I live more you to come and live with me. I want to wake up and I see a beautiful face every morning. Nah man, think about it. Riri, you know something like you're slim and you're pretty and everything. Are you feeling my bed for real? Just think about it, man. Bad girl, I must be Riri. Yo, it's easy, you know.
Willie.
Alright.
Willie.
What happened?
How long me your friend?
Long time.
So if a long time, oh you no call me and give me no money?
Take time talk loud.
Willie, me will load you up, you know.
Listen now.
Willie.
Listen, take time talk loud. You can't make it, hey, all the whole heap of people hear about you already, you know. All the way down stinking high place. Yo, me say everybody, all people in the normally deal with me, they see me. Willie. Everybody a call to make sure they hear some of your money.
Willie. I can't miss that camera man come rob you, make them say Willie.
What this man?
Let me tell you
No,
something.
you love me too much. You'll never do that.
Willie, how long you walk?
I walk from my barn.
Alright, you say you walk foot. Right now it's a bike if you buy a bridging. You're tired of walk foot.
You know, say a real sitting here just said to me, 100,000 my brother fall from the head.
So you
I tell you something, just spend my money so you would.
So you chat to love me.
No, okay, it's unsensible to me a while ago.
Willie, you know, so you not take life serious.
I true, me not take it serious.
Willie.
You know, so what you just said to me a while ago. Hey, not do your friend that, man.
Willie, I want to hang you. Willie, why you feel money and really don't call me? Oh, Willie.
Alright, watch you now.
Willie.
Here me I go do her now. Me and you go over shop. I mean, I go buy you 2 craving here and buy you 2 special. I make it easy yourself. You say something good to me, so I take your money by bike.
Okay, so me a craving here, girl, special girl now. Really,
No.
if I can't 100,000, we friendship broke. Really, like how you want to go buy one bike, come me just put in your head with him. Me want one and then 150 too.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, me want 200. So what you say?
Alright, what you know? I go sleep on it. I go sleep on it. I go sleep. No, you're a good girl, and get me wrong, you know. Don't get me wrong, you're a good girl. But me I go sleep on it. You give me a great idea.
Will you not
know, so me buy one for you. Other day, my virgin then show up me and tell me say I'm selling bike. She hear say me have money. Me tell me say I don't want a bike. Me good, me will walk my foot. But you just give me a good idea for you. Me project a bike for you.
Really, where your money go?
My money go, me tell you something. Alright, I'll give you 10 cents. But me still go buy a drink.
10 cents in a what?
10 cents, you know what I mean? 10 cents, I mean 10
Want 10,000?
Eh?
Willie, me don't want no 10,000.
No, you know my money then big. I mean 10 cents.
Willie, just give me one change that US and I'm good, Willie.
$100 US?
I'm good. And call it a deal.
I go drink and we think about it.
I mean. We not think about nothing.
Barry, you hear me, man? Check in. Barry said, look more.
Hello.
Here. Yeah, man, round.
Oh, me need to talk.
Yeah, round in 7 o'clock. Yeah. Alright.
So, you know what say? I can't find Shanice.
What this, man? So, what me go do about that?
Well, because you're in the streets, I wonder if I see her.
No, me not see her. Only thing me see right now is my money in my pocket. Me not see Shanice.
You never ask about your money in your pocket.
You know something I like how you move low car.
I ask about my sister, I not ask about money in your pocket.
Listen to me I say. You come check me that day and I give you 10 cents and you move like you don't want to afford for the rest of 10 cents. You know?
That's not money. What you give the other day is no money. That's a chum change. That can't keep good unless I go buy nothing good for them.
That you don't know, you know. I'm not too ungrateful, you know.
Mommy ungrateful. Mommy attack the truth.
So why you mean raise if going look for me? Boy, your sister?
Yes.
No, me not do them that type of work there. Boy, if me see her in the street though, me will tell her, you say, come back home.
Really and truly, I want a place me come to you about.
What go on?
I really need a place.
Then a long time if you forward and tell me that, man. What kind of place you need? Talk to me.
What's for rent?
Baby girl, listen to me and say no. Right time I come check me. Cause look here now. I 800,000 me have for another day, you know. Me I walk around in my pocket today and my bra for 100,000 other night, you know. Regular day, you know.
So I don't know.
Me have my money, man.
So, the place we are talking about.
Hold on.
I want to call you.
I know my line kind of busy, but I don't answer the call, you know. But listen to me and say, you know. Anywhere you want to stay, me can make you stay. If you want me rent off a villa, I make you stay there for any amount of time.
Yes, the villa sound good. But make sure you can pay the rent.
Listen to me,
because you sound broke.
Watch China, man. I tell you, if you 800,000 me have in my pocket to walk with for another day. You know, here. I'm spend off 100 brick. I spend off 300 brick for you right now. You see a little and cute, you know. Are you there in my bed, you know?
Oh. And that me talk about
listen to me. Watch China, man. Let's find a place.
I find a place already. I have money around right now. Money
so which part you find?
Eh?
Which part you find?
Which part I find it?
Yeah. No, where you find a place? A
place is a scheme. It's a scheme house.
Alright, just send me a number on my phone and make me deal with the transaction so you can move in and enjoy
I'm moving as soon as possible.
Alright now. But hold on. Where they living?
My auntie Karen.
So what happened now?
Remember say she a junkie, you know. I can't bother with that beer she take money and drink. All this morning, a rum bar she go.
Yo,
come like your phone in my hotline,
all of my
man.
line name busy at me I tell you about. No, so they call you now. Kind of money call them. The way say you going now?
The house.
Yeah, me I deal with
so
it,
come
man.
On.
I deal with it, man. You don't know anything from you.
So come on.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So get up and come on.
10 cents, yeah. 10 cents, 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 body not to live over here. I wonder if I can get over here to feel.
Yeah. But wait there. You know some man know somebody will live near us so Barry.
Which
You know Barry?
Broke Barry.
No, Barry not broke.
What you
Barry
mean?
not broke. Man, are you broke and I say Barry broke. I'm not too sure.
So what here can get place? So you can talk about Willie broke. A style Willie. What channel man?
Me not style
No,
Willie.
listen now. Yes, see Barry. Barry nah no money. I regular, I remember say I clear off Barry bill around the shop, you know.
The one
Remember say
time
me
I
thing
clear
large, you know.
off-
Yo,
one
one
time I
time I'll pay Barry rent. I run there so run him out of
The
fee
one time I
place.
play off Barry Billy at hype.
No man, a regular day man. Me I tell you some I got money, you know. I have a whole heap of money. Between me and you. You know say I want brand new bike I go see me pan. Come here tell you about my money them in my money no ordinary.
Do I want to see a brand new bike this still?
No, listen. You see next time when I come pick you up and I walk, me and walk. When I pick you up and you vroom, vroom, put up on your back and you know what I style? That's you slim and nice. You sit up on it. Bike,
Yeah, but I know that me a talk about. I be a slim and nice. I the house me a talk about.
No man.
Oh, nobody in the day have to come
No
talk
man
to
up on
me.
the gate and I could have called. So I just walk again and see if we find someone. No man they know so we can call. I'll just walk
Some
again.
of the things say this a house here. You have me a walk from now to friend house. Yeah. That one that look nice. I wonder.
I tell you say, me can go get more money in a car. Me tell you say my money there in a
But me know
bit,
them have got to take out the old one them. You look good with the old one.
Man, all them me can fix up and stay so. Come and say you go on one
Oh,
of them to drive or
Lord.
something.
Some see.
Barry! What channel man?
What channel one?
What channel
What
man?
channel one?
What
Yeah, I know
Barry?
what's up. Yeah, I
Where
know
the
what's
man?
up. Yo, me say, man, say, I'm going to check, boy. We roast some
Are you locked down, Marcia?
I saw some breadfruit, me can't go give my man.
I think you locked down, Marcia.
I don't really lock down business. See that? But you know, it's a different door. I want to see you from when you bro.
What you want to do? Congrat me again and tell me to respect for pay bill?
No, man, none of that.
What go on?
Yesterday, Manda from my bar.
You get her now?
No, man, she called me and say, some money thief down a Shan yard. And sitting and me and say, what? How money if you get thief down a Shan yard? And sitting. You see me? So me not hear the full story yet because she go serve somebody.
Yeah. So me ask you one question now. When you are saying I get to hear the full story, what make you want to see me?
Because you normally run there, you look at her, so you probably hear too, the full story.
You know say I want madman do Barry. How me feel look my sister? Eh? Something wrong with you? What wrong with that person?
Me say you look man that
No.
I don't know if it's man that call you.
Listen to me I say
And
now.
tell her his story.
Listen, because you come like you accuse me, you know. We are try say, me take my sister money.
Really? Oh, me fi accuse you.
So no tell me them the story then. Me no want to hear them the story
know
then.
about it.
Me no want to hear them the story then.
What channel man? Me hear you, I hear me hear you.
Yo, listen to me I say. You know what I say? Little friend, this is one new machine I go see me a rev out pan. Me have a little nice girl and me I talk to Willie. You know, one Willie badness.
She buy a bike.
She go buy me a bike you out of that me I tell you. You
What
listen-
channel man?
What channel man? That me I tell you. Listen, one of them machine for rev out pan to come on.
Anything, bro. Anything I buy my bicycle.
What channel man? You deal with it right man. Yeah man.
But will me hopes up in a dog and then next minute, yeah, a different story.
100,000 me blow down on a bar right night, you know. 100,000 me blow down.
Like so?
Yeah, man, I just spend money, sir.
Are you gonna call me?
No, watch on man. You don't know what
You never call me and say you buy 2 fever or something.
No, listen, that, the fever ain't getting in my brain. The next morning, I wake up, me a fever, I pay for me, but through my money tall. I just call one doctor and I get little medication and I'm good and sitting there now.
So what you do on sir?
I just pass, I say me a pass through. Yeah, because through a long time I don't see neither. I know more of the pass stress. I say one time I pass stress, I
I'm going to go check, man. You see it.
What I
Even
can check
though
Marcy and
she
him when
said
I
me
breadfruit
too
them.
young. Me I say, Mama, you want a young study in your life. You give the young working. But she a behave too strong one time. So I just left. But I two breadfruit, me carry
When
on.
I can give me one of them too. When I breadfruit them over there.
See,
Oh God. Nothing wrong. Sharing
Really?
is caring.
really, you really would have go beg back the breadfruit when me pick and carry up there. What kind of style that?
Where you say I going?
What kind of style that?
But I be two room in the night and what?
Do I be two room?
Yeah, but watch now. Go on down there, me a forward. Me a meet her down there. Me a meet her down
Yeah,
there.
meet me around there.
Me a meet her down there.
Really? No,
No, watch
you
out.
tell
No,
me
you
say I'm going to go around there and wait like I eat that.
No. Watch out, man. You see like how we normally be pay a flask or rum down there and special.
Yeah.
I want Hennessy, yeah. Just order one Hennessy and tell them say, Willie.
What name, sir?
You know Hennessy? I them the rum there, scam and then drink, man. Hennessy, order one of
How
them.
2 minutes, Kaba?
So I want to spend the money.
What
Me
you
not
don't want?
spend the money.
What you don't?
So that's what me a tell you.
Me I go around there.
Order a Hennessy and tell them say, Willie. One Willie badness.
One Willie say if you give me a NSC.
Me and you come drink Hennessy. Me a forward.
Alright. I
Watch
me a
channel,
look
man.
boat. I me a look boat.
Me a look boat. Watch channel, man. Yo, watch channel, man. Where you touch?
Want talk to you, you know.
Say no talk and don't touch.
Willie want talk to you, you know.
Where you?
You know, say, I you take the money, you know.
And what this, man? You take your eye, them and see me.
I you take you, Willie. Watch out. Willie. Satan text me and tell me, Jesus Christ, dream me and tell me, you take me money.
Yo.
Me 800,000.
I for your money or for my sister? You know, say actually you want to run me out of my sister yard and tell lie for me.
Oh, so you confess you take me 800,000 to buy the furniture them.
Yo, you see if me a thief, me not a thief from my family them. So stop walk and tell lie for me, boy, you see me take money.
But you not thief from your family, thief from me ain't know nothing.
Me not take no money, me say if you see me. You did it when me take it. You see me take it.
Willie, you not take the money.
Me not take no money.
Have you buy the furniture them? Alright, give me back half of the money then.
No, see me pocket. Take out the money. Can you see me with the money? Take out the money.
So 800,000 can't hold in us, so. Eh? Are you taking money, Willie?
Yo, you know so me not going no more.
And your sister take up for you.
Make me hate you as a brother-in-law, you know. Me no want no more talking with you, you know.
Who and your brother-in-law?
You know, yo.
Me and your brother-in-law?
You see,
Why?
My sister for you left you too, you know, because you're a thief. Are you take it? You're a thief. You.
Oh, me for thief, mo.
Yo, just avoid me here. Avoid me.
Me don't know why you going to this family of fight.
What are you? What are you?
Christ.
Banknote, what are you? What you come here to argue with Willie about money for? What do you?
So you warn me because me have defend me
Whoa,
money
me say
from
I'm
the
a
thief.
Right.
Are you taking you?
Oh, you know say money missing. Huh? Oh, what make I never me go there and say money no missing?
So okay. Are you take it then? Can't me take it. And none of him take
Oh,
it.
my sister got thief in one money.
Bro, make him turn.
So no one gang me then. No one gang me from no.
You give me something and alright, even if I did my brother take him money, where you argue for? I know me fear argue.
Tell him to give him back half of the money then.
No, bro. No, me no, bro. Oh God, bro. Bro, me never say I take him. Me just say what?
Why you take up for him? Why you take up for him? Because of your brother. Why you not take up for me?
Yeah, me say I feel lower your guys.
Oh, Jesus
Christ.
Let me
Father
deal
God.
with
Yeah,
it.
me I go back.
No, banknote, don't come over here and argue with Willie.
Banknote in him and a thief money.
Hey,
Thief in Willie.
hey, me feel say you take him money. Take Willie out of this there. Why me feel like say you? For sure. As Willie's sister it come to me. Me not just saying that.
You not trust me. My 800,000 when me a save.
But
If
you
you buy furniture and me
you
thief
can't-
my money.
You can give me it with promises and come back for it. I don't trust you. That me say. Me not trust you.
You see a 800,000 there.
How wait all this?
You can't keep it.
Who
Come in
know?
the wrong
Are you
family.
happy?
Me in the wrong family.
So why you did come in there for then? Nobody did invite you and say banknote come. Nobody who did invite you.
Jesus
Door
Christ,
up.
Father
See me
God.
about belly ache, belly running. Why you have belly ache and belly running over? My money when you give me, you should. I miss should I not have all the belly ache?
Father
I'm not
God.
have it. I'm a don't have it.
Jesus Christ. You know, say me make a wrong decision.
With what?
You know, say either you are junking Karen, but me don't know why me pick you or you me pick. But let me tell you something. You see, at 800,000 there, me I go lose it
Junking
just to get you
who?
out of my life.
Junking who?
Junking Karen.
Oh, not the junkie there. Here where you want to come class me with junking. Junking. Me look like junkie to you. Now compare me with no junkie. Left me hard. About 800,000 go. A long time more life, so I don't really nothing. You come go on like say, my brother Willie a thief. Not me eat like somebody try to brainwash me. See this? Me control it, not you or any others. Come go on like
Father
you're a
God.
thief.
Me make a wrong decision, you know.
Say you no go
Sure,
on.
me should have take junking Karen because I know say I want to thief from me, but
woulda
you
give
see
us money
800,000 me
to
lose.
play with, yeah.
Now worry yourself, man. You see you and Willie. You see you and Willie. What goes around, come back around. You soon done, you know, because I don't like hairstyle. Oh, Lord God, Father God.
Oh, Lord God, Father God.
You know something I like your style though. Cause friend you get it 10 cents other day, you know. Me can't see you come back and check me. Like you know I want that 10 cents. Remember my money is small, you know. Watch you know, man. Just give me a link. No. Me now go come around on this side. Yeah.
My brother.
Alright.
My brother.
What my sis?
Me there. Me not even feel good.
Oh, I'm here.
What? Come here.
So you call me the right so you
Look
make
here. What more I ask you is, you see? Me have some money in my jar. 800,000 for buy me just a set.
So you buy here now?
Me can't find my money, my brother. Me don't know where money and me live.
Watch you know, man. Listen to me as a sis. What you try to say to me now, sis?
So when you come down
No,
so
sis,
ignorant for me
Come here,
for?
sis. Turn up back right here. So yeah, your brother reason.
Nay.
Listen to me and say now. Me and you live together.
Right.
You're my sister.
Right.
Remember saying, you know, when you deal with the furniture business, you know.
A year for me was
And me and you deal with it. So you make it look like me and go thief your money.
Yes,
And what this, man?
I told me can't find you and you alone.
No, sis, not do that, man.
Everybody I say you are willing to take your money.
No, man. Tell
Man,
them
they say you come and embark on. Sit down.
Watch you, man. Listen, you see the spending I'm a grown man that go spend. I want my little girlfriend and call me and give me a 10 cent.
I'm here, say. Your flash, Riri.
Sis.
How you get? You know, get sister money where you have your brother give.
No, man. Watch you, man. Don't worry yourself,
So,
man.
brother.
Next next time you carry food, come
So,
get.
bro, I buy.
No, man. You know, son, I'm a virgin. So you gone on a little work, so I have it from there, move round and move round.
Oh, what more I ask you? Where you think your money could have gone?
Why, sis, to tell you the truth, you come like rat in my house. Rat. I don't know. You put cheese. You put cheese in your money there? You sure you not put no little cheese in your jack? I know you ever buy a little snacks them.
No, me
Because
not
that's
even
a rat to the harbour in there.
Willie, me not even eating in my room. I mean, never, when me I put on money, me I never greasy.
Well, me don't know. Why? Me don't even know if you tell you sis. Maybe if you want a smarty teeth for them.
All of them I tell me, say, are you taking money because you're
Me?
the class?
I will never do that.
Me know, bro.
Yo, you're my sister, you know.
Me know.
I know your brother love you. I'll never steal from you.
Me know that.
I will never thief from you.
Yeah, that me I say.
You get it?
Long time.
I eat me a look, boss.
And you
I
don't
do
know
that,
say.
man.
You don't know, say. My man come around this today and I say, we have belly running, headache, because in going on my jaw, my pass and in going on my jaw, and in my smell.
I am techie. I am techie. I am techie. Sis, listen to me, I say no. I am techie. I am techie.
You know, say I circle a boy.
I am techie. You get it?
Long time.
I am techie.
You have running belly.
You mad man. Me?
Oh, if you have running belly over sit where you
I will never take your money.
I believe you.
Sis, I don't even want to hear about that. Me more than mind I get it back. You want me to go check him?
Right now.
You want to ride the bike over there?
Go turn the bike on forward.
What, son, man?
Me a wait for you.
Come on, sis. You lie them and tell for me, you know.
What me a say to bro?
Come on, sister. Cause the boy they feel like he can ramp with
What me
you.
a say to?
Arm to him, sister.
What me want to know too?
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need.